Can you feel it? Get ready, crypto lifers, for the greatest show on YouTube. The Satoshis are pumping through my blood, pumping through my veins. I can feel the Satoshis taking over every aspect of my cellular structure. Bitcoin is the magical answer to all. Bitcoin is the power. Bitcoin will change your life. Jody Nunnally, you can't have a stream without Nunnally. Appreciate you, Nunnally. I'll take a look at CLV for sure. Check. Is this thing on? Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Welcome to the Crypto Lifer Show. Thanks to all the new lifers jumping on into the Patreon. Appreciate each and every one of you. The place for the number one place for education. This is where you get the most education given to you. For $99, get the best education ever in technical analysis. I am a technical analysis educator. You are students of the game. I am a teacher, and we are going to go through the game right now as we check out on Bitcoin, holding $50,700 and on the way to $51,000. We're going to take a look at the high that we had on a wick here, and I'm going to show you what's happening. Most of YouTube said that this is a rounded top. Most of YouTube told you to short. Most of YouTube told you they were worried and scared, and they didn't know what was going on. Not the Crypto Lifers. The Crypto Lifers saw what was kind of a, I'll show you something that's strange, that's a bit strange. And don't go by this, you have to know the rules to break the rules. But, that's kind of an inverse head and shoulder there. You see what I'm saying? A giant right shoulder, yes, of course. But regardless, that is a inverted head and shoulder popping to the upside. So there you go. I mean, and then it broke up, and then you can take the neckline and draw it to the head. I mean, it's strictly TA all the time. Bring it up here, and that brings us to the measured move, exactly, of Bitcoin. I mean, I kept pointing out many, many times where we were headed, what was going on. We had a trapped in price action, and we went over this over and over again. Love the show. How can we pay in crypto? Can we do yearly or 3 months only? You can pay for the year for 1K in crypto. Email cryptolifers@gmail. Email cryptolifers@gmail to pay in cryptocurrency, and we'll get you into the group today. Thank you so much for all the patience, everyone jumping on into the groups. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Crypto Lifer, 15-minute inverted head and shoulders. There you go. Music is too loud. Yes, it is. Appreciate you for saying that. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Shout out to everyone here. Shout out to Last Stable. Shout out to Nikki D. Shout out to Guido. Shout out to Glassy Cladone. Shout out to David Coins. Shout out to all my awesome crypto lifers. Last Poet, appreciate you. Alchemy Pay looks tasty. Alchemy Pay, Alchemy Pay, Alchemy Pay. Let's take a look at MTV booming to the upside. So right now, what do we see for BTC? Well, 4 hours double topping. Like we suggested, could we get the flip up? We did get the flip up. 4 hours starting to do its thing. That could give you more momentum to the upside. The idea that we needed to break this 50K resistance, and it was an issue. It was an issue. We're going to look at it at a smaller time frame. That's going to give us some more confluence and see what's going on inside of the game here. So, okay, look at this. And I called this morning, inverted head and shoulder for BTC. When I woke up this morning, I posted this to the Patreon. I said, guys, this looks highly likely to break up to the upside. We've been tracking Bitcoin accurately now again for the past, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 weeks straight. Is it the Labradorite? Some may say it is. Ever since Greg Hiles and a few other people came into the live and were like, yo, go get this. And I was like, Crypto Greg, you're the man. Appreciate it. And yeah, so I've had this ever since. And honestly, I've been so honed into the market. It's been insane. I used to be a decent trader. Now I'm a little better than decent. I'm not good. I'm not a good trader at all. I'm the worst trader you've ever seen. But no, what I like to say is I never like to tell myself I'm a good trader, because I had this horrible feeling when I was a beginning trader and I just started out. Every day I was like, oh, I'm good at this. The next day I would be absolutely wrecked or demolished. So I am post-traumatically stressed away from saying the words, I'm good at this. I'm okay at this. I'm getting by, is what I like to say. It's working out so far until the market maker tries to demolish us yet again. And will I make the right decision? Yes, I hope. So taking profits all the time on the way up is the only thing you can do to keep yourself. It's like, you know, you never know when they're going to send 1,000 arrows at you. So you always keep your shield up. That's what taking profits like. Always taking profits. Always taking profits. And again, just so everybody makes this very clear, I am not a financial advisor. I am not an investment advisor. I would never give you advice on where to put your money and what to do. All I am is a guy that likes to go over cryptocurrency passionately every single day. I like to go over the charts. I like to talk about coins. I love the technology. I like where the space is going, and I can see the human race headed into a new amazing direction, and I want to be a part of it. I want to be known in history books as a pioneer of cryptocurrency. I want people to know my name 100 years from now, and that's why I'm here, for the legacy, folks, for the legacy. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate you. Not for the fame, not for the money, but for the legacy. I want to be remembered 100 years from now. That's always been my main goal in life. I've always got, whenever I was reading a story about someone, I'm like, wow, this guy lived in the 1800s, and we're still reading about him to this day. Mark Twain, Nikola Tesla. Some names that just ring a bell to me. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. IOTX, please, sir. Thank you for your time, man. We all appreciate it. Shout out to Tokyo Sex Whale. Appreciate you with the awesome name. Yeah, so let's take a look at what he's asking about. IOTX. Let's take a look at IOTX. We're going to pop out another alt window here, so we can always kind of track Bitcoin, and we're going to have an alt window popped out open here, and we're going to jump into alts and all that. We're going to have a lot of fun today. It's going to be one of the most fun live streams. Whenever the market's pumping, the live streams they're always fun, but this makes them absolutely fun. Look, we're bouncing off the 618 here on IOTX. Looks absolutely tasty, to say the least. Also, when I open this up, and let's go to the 1 hour, I'm seeing an inverted head and shoulder. Not sure if you guys see it, but I do see it as well. Let's take a look at the inverted head and shoulder. Let's see how clean it is. Let's see how trusted the pattern can be here. And that, to me, is an inverted head and shoulder. Highly likely to break out. That's what we start seeing towards the end of these pennants, you know? Do we get messy? Are we starting to kind of do one of these? But to me, IOTX running out of room, only a matter of time. It's getting wedged in that very, very tight zone, okay? We take a look at the 4-hour. 4-hour is a little spent, though, so it looks like it has to go sideways or maybe come back down and test this region one last time. Perhaps it wants to do a double bottom right off of this area at about 7.2 area, all right? And there's your IOTX. Thank you so much for the super chat. Appreciate you. Just going over the technical analysis. Again, none of this is financial advice. Nobody's getting financial advice. If you throw a super chat in and you ask for financial advice, I will not answer you. I'll not tell you where to put your funds. Will not tell you where to put your money. I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm really not interested in looking at your bank account and being like, oh, this is where you should put this. That's not fun to me. I'm not passionate about that. No offense. I'm passionate about letting you learn cryptocurrency and getting educated in cryptocurrency. A financial advisor wants to suck off you. He wants you to need him for the rest of your life. He wants you to not know what he knows, so then you have to pay him. I'm not trying to do that. I want you to know what I know so you can eventually fly on your own. If you like the Patreon, if you want to support me because I made you a multimillionaire for the rest of your life and you're like, you know what? I'm going to support this dude because he gave me the skills to be a multimillionaire, then by all means, join the Patreon. See, and that's what I'm trying to go for here. And that's the plan. And that's the LIFER way. Shout out to all the crypto lifers up in the spot. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Let's take a look at the view count. Let's take a look at the likes. Hope you guys are pushing it for me. 103 people viewing, 49 likes. Can we get the likes up to the viewers? I would greatly appreciate it. Shout out to all the crypto lifers in the spot. Probably gonna blow up more, huh? About to bust resistance and fly. Dot is ready on the 4-hour. 100 years from now, people will be screaming your name in the streets. Shout out to Market Siphon. I hope so, man. That would be amazing. Screaming my name. That's a bit absurd. Take it all, baby. Take it all. And she does. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Who wants to see a live stream later on down at the beach? We'll do some handstands. We'll hang out. We'll do a live stream at the beach later on for sure and get you guys acclimated into the Rockaway. You've heard of the famous Rockaway, the Ramones. You know, we'll kind of bring you in. Oh, there's a kiss from the baby girl, Summer. My best daughter in tow. Summer, love you, baby girl. Thank you so much for the love. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Link said hi and hi. Looking healthy as well. My baby Adam, cup and handle on that, and the handle trailing, as well as my 3 for the day. Dot is up 3.33% today. Great sign. Shout out to Crypto Greg up at the spot. Appreciate you, Crypto Greg. Appreciate each and every one of you. I think you will agree about CLV. Shout out to Jody Nunnally. So, let's just see what's happening for BTC on this time frame. Well, right now, 15-minute is oversold, and you know we go with the deadly accurate 15-minute, and many times we do get a breakdown. So, highly likely we break down to this area, which we kind of already did and got wicked up. Quite interesting. Looks like the 15-minute did one of these, and it's pushing up again. That's interesting. Very, very bullish sign. So all I do is I make little tiny pennants. The more bullish we get, the smaller the time frame because you're moving faster. When you're moving faster, you need to use smaller time frames because the pennants are getting made and breaking out. Pennants are getting made and breaking out, and they're doing it in a faster motion. And because they're doing it in a faster motion, you use a smaller time frame to track it. Okay? Because doesn't that make sense? Isn't that weird? It's like time frame changes on the movement. Keanu Eno, I recommended it, and you got update on it. Keanu Eno, we'll take a look at Keanu Eno for sure. It's been a long time. Have not looked at it in a long time. I think I offloaded it for a little bit of money. Yo, cakepunks has been out of control. Let's take a look at that on. I was on Bogged Finance. I like Bogged. Look like Bogged really stepped up their game. Charts are looking really nice on Bogged. I like the whole setup on Bogged. Looking really beautiful. Let's see if we can get cakepunks. What an idea. Wish I came out with cakepunks. I'll take a look at SAFEMOON. SAFEMOON struggling, but forming another inverted head and shoulder here. It's cupping at the bottom. I mean, eventually, this could be your very, very bottom for a big move to the upside. But, I mean, SAFEMOON really just pretty down in the dumps right now. But it's in the cup. And it is respecting this trend line right here. It could make a cup and handle and eventually build its way up. Almost everything does eventually build its way out of the cup. Hey, LIFER, do you think it's a good time to put DTC down considering the bearish daily divergence? We've gone over the daily divergence numerous times. We've talked about it many, many times. Let's take a look at the daily divergence, and I'm going to show you what's going on here. Okay, daily divergence on Bitcoin. Let me go to another chart so I don't ruin my beautiful projections here. As Bitcoin pumps to the upside, and we talked about this. We went over this many, many times. The daily divergence. All right, let's go over this right now. Daily bearish divvy. All right. I'm going to show you something that's going to blow your mind. SAFEMOON yacht on hold in Marina Del Rey. I know, right? David, no. Bad idea to short the beast. Could you check out Axie? Thank you. Yeah, Kiano went up a while back, but I haven't looked at it either. Not for a minute. I didn't hate on offing it for another LOL, but was it worth it? Would be cool to see. Did a 10x on Kiano Ito. It never got back. Nah, I never did. Okay, let's take a look at what I'm seeing here for Bitcoin. BTC, USDT. I like to use the KuCoin chart. I like to use the Binance chart, all different types of charts, because I'm always doing like 100 different projections. Okay, so a lot of people are talking about bearish divvy on the daily, okay? And let me show you what's going on here. Also, let me show you the last time we had bearish divvy. Are we making a higher high like this? Is this the higher high that's going to send us compiling down? It does look a little eerily bit like it, right? These two things here. A little bit of a fractal flowing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Smaller each time and getting tight. Okay? But I'm going to tell you a few things that are different this time than that time. All right? Couple things. Number one, here's the daily divergence here. Swing up to swing up. We had swing down to swing down. Okay? Not too shabby. All right? We also take a look at here at the swing up to swing up. Changing it up real quick. So we also take a look at this. Swing up to swing up, swing down. And there was the bearish divvy that played out. Now look how high we were in the Stokes when we hit our last moment on the bearish dip. Okay. So for the bearish dip to play out, 9 out of 10 times the Stokes need to be high. Ice cream money for the kids. Happy Labor Day weekend. Shout out to Dirty Harry for the $10. Yeah, I mean, she eats every, you know what's funny is I have this one place I gotta go a couple times a month. And every time I go there, there's an ice cream store near there. And if my daughter's there, I have to get her ice cream. So whenever I have to go with this other place, it costs me another $20. I tried to get 2 kitty cones the other day, trying to be cheap, which I shouldn't have. But it's not even about trying to be cheap. I was just saying, like, we usually both eat too much ice cream and we get a stomach ache. I just want a little bit of a taste and keep it moving. So we both got 2 kitties. The small's like $5.50. They charge you $4.80 for the kitty cone. Like, come on, man. They end up getting me for $9.97 anyway. So thank you for the $10, man. Ice cream, man. I must spend a couple grand on ice cream a year, man. And I only have 1 kid. It's unbelievable. They hit you with ice cream, like ice cream, man. It's freaking ice cream. I can't believe how expensive ice cream is now. Everything's going up now because of, the printing, money printing. And that's why the American people are stuck. They're trying to protect the American people. They're saying, oh, we're here to protect you. But they haven't been protecting us. They've been telling us we can't invest in things while the American dollar plummets behind our back. So they're leaving us penniless and with no hope. Cryptocurrency gives us all hope and a way to live. And they try to still take that away from us. It's a shame. So we do have swing up to swing up here. We have swing down to swing down here. What I want to say now, though, which is interesting to me, is this. See how we eventually dropped and came back up again, and we dropped and came back up again, and then we got high? In my opinion, we kind of dropped and came back up again here. Now, yes, we do have to break these levels. I want to see us really get a nice clean break above this level, but once we do, it looks like it's on like Donkey Kong, right? Another thing, we've gone over the weekly divergence and we've gone over the weekly chart. And I've showed you how the momentum for the weekly starts right here. The last time the weekly was right here, we ended up booming to the upside on an insane move. So just something to think about. I also go over when we go over the 21-day moving average on the weekly. Pump, here we did, you just can't see it, pump. Here we did right there, pump. And we're just breaking above the 21-day moving average here on the weekly again. There's a lot of signs pointing to the upside here that we're going to continue to the upside, but you never know. You never know. Anything is possible, and I'm with you. Let's take a look at the bearish scenario, shall we? The bearish scenario is that we're in a rising wedge with a 68% chance of a break to the downside. Rising wedges will come all the way back to the beginning of the wedge. That's where they want to find themselves. So, bam. So could the daily get in? Let's paint a picture for the bearishness in projection style. So could the daily get up here? Could we boom up, get rejected, come down, and then fall out, bearish retest, and come all the way back down to 37K? You know what? It's okay if we do. There'll be nothing wrong with that. We'd be forming just a stronger base here for a massive move to the upside. I wouldn't even be that worried about it, and it's very possible. So yeah, I mean, these things are possible. I'm open-minded to all scenarios. I'm not a moon boy who pushes my team into saying it has to be this way, it has to be this way. We look at Bitcoin every single day. We're not bearish, we're not bullish. We're Bitcoin-ish. We're crypto-ish. We just stick to, but we do stick to the stochastics. We stick to the facts at hand, support and resistance. We don't try to make up stories. We don't try to push it. But yeah, this is possible. Again, let me show you another time that we had bearish divergence that it did not matter. Here, right here. So look at this. Here's some bearish div right here. Clean bearish div, you know, and then we started pumping up. Here is some bearish div right there. We pumped up, pumped up, pumped up. Coming down. It did start right there, though. The initial bearish divvy. This does look a lot like it. I'll give it to you. I'm not going to negate it and say it's not a rising wedge. But we broke above 50K. All should be well so far. You know, I'll start talking this way when we break back below 49, and then we break 48.5, and then we break 46,700. So until we break those two levels, I can leave it out of my mind. Right now, we've broken key levels that we can stay above. Let's get those 100 likes. Smash the like button. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Never be bearish or bullish. GM slow down production again. General Motors, I can see it. Big talks about incoming market crash due to General Motors and other piss poor performance the past year. Microchip shortage and all that. Yeah, the microchip shortage is not good. I ended up getting a car I did not want to get. The car I got is a bright red Hyundai Sonata. I did. And I know you guys might hate it. I might lose a subscriber. Oh, he drives a Hyundai Sonata. But you know what? And that, you know what? I want to talk about that. Not a Sonata, Santa Fe, sorry. Calypso Red. I'm excited. It's going to be a new car, so I like looking at it. It's going to be a 2022 Hyundai Santa Fe Calypso Red. I pick it up when I get back next week. Can't wait to check it out, right? But it's going to be the brightest red you've ever seen in your life. And it does have the, it's going to have the, these hooks on the roof. It's going to have the roof rack on it. Hyundai Santa Fe. This is what it's going to look like, something like this. It's a beautiful car. And honestly, man, I've had a Santa Fe before. Awesome cars. Absolutely awesome cars. Like, you would not regret your Santa Fe. Coming in at 30K for the SEL. Which ain't too bad. 4-door sport utility Calypso Red Beige. 2.5 liter turbo. I want the turbo, though. It does a lot of cool things, too. And that's inexpensive. Nice interior. Good command center. No more shifter. Anyway, enough about that. Shout out to everyone here on the live. So this could come down to the downside. A Kazakai, yeah, most common pulled over car is red. So don't smuggle any. I know, I said that. It's the brightest red. I don't need to smuggle nothing, man, for no reason. I keep it clean and teach education every single day. That's all I gotta do. Awesome car. Keeps room for the fam. Bam. Jimmy Jam. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you. Cakepunks chart. Yo, Cakepunks is destroying the game. Absolutely destroying the game. And look at Cakepunks. I shot it going up 800% gains on Cakepunks. Yesterday, had I jumped in, I would have made 400% gains on top of it. Look at this. The chart's waiting and continuing to the upside. It will not stop. Look at this thing. Up 1,000% gains in just a day or two. Cakepunks. Since the floor. Shout out to the man who gave us Cakepunks. Stack McChange. Showing up, man. Appreciate you. Are you all set? Do you need any help, my love? Okay. I just put PPFT on one of those. Hyundai, get all the options on warranty transmission, is one of the most in the USA. It really is. Most expensive transmission. There you go. What's up, LIFER? DYOR fam. Shout out to TGE Dad. Shout out to all my peoples. Let's get up to 100 likes. Appreciate each and every one of you. 105 likes. 128 likes. No, 80 likes, 128 people. Can we get the likes up to the watchers? I would greatly appreciate it. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. We got a super chat in there. We did IOTX. Keanu Inu, someone asking about. Let's take a look at SGD. Shout out to Brandon, QSLV. Shout out to all my peoples in there. We take a look at XLT. Shout out to Brandon, SGD. Appreciate you, man. Let's pop out this chat. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Sorry, had to edit it. LOL. No worries, man. Most common pullover car. I know it is. Like the brightest red in the world. I know. I'm already stressing about it. Isn't that crazy? I don't want the car. It's the microchip. The whole point I brought up the idea is because it's the microchips. And we're having issues getting cars, so we took whatever was on the lot because we would have to wait. We wouldn't know. And I didn't want to find out if I couldn't get a car by the time my lease ended. So, you know, I was kind of strongholded into getting whatever was there. And I did what I had to do. I probably could have waited a little longer, but it was what it was. I was careful instead of, just get it done. How's it going, bro? Shout out to Anko, Kusi, Butsu. Appreciate you for coming into the live every single time. Most common pullover car. Yeah, it is. I didn't insult anyone. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Shout out to Gail Thompson. Appreciate each and every one of you. Looking fly in that Airbnb room, dog. Shout out to everyone here. Thank you, man. Appreciate you guys. You guys are funny, man. Should I put this so I'm more over there? Just I want to be more in the screen, not out of the screen. Okay, shout out to everyone here on the live. Let's keep it moving. So, BTC, what do I see happening? Well, the daily right now is ready to rock, which suggests it could break to the upside out of a rising wedge. So we got the bear scenario for you. Back to 37.5, which I've said back to 37.5 every single day on this channel for the last 3 weeks. I just want to make, or 2 weeks, I just want to make it really clear. Not 2 weeks, but at least ever since this channel started, and I kept drawing the bottom since here. I mean, it's been a while. Since August 16th, yeah, about 2 weeks almost. I've been talking about we could break down to 37.5. So I have been posting charts, and we have been bullish, and we've been moving bullish, right? Please unban me. YouTube shadow banned my main account. I know I didn't do anything. I don't know. LOL Airbnb. It's nothing to do with me. Forerunner for life. There you go. I had a red Mustang. Did you ever research drip and got so many tickets? Damn, man. Don't say that. Don't say that. We see you, gal. Okay, shout out to everyone here on the live. Appreciate each and every one of you coming in. When will the LIFER charge the Patreon with cryptocurrency? Anybody has to start it. We have it right now. What'd you say, baby? Don't mess with daddy. My buddy made me a fake ticket once, and he printed it out. He did really good. We were at work, hanging out. It was our last week of a job where we had really nothing much. We were just like getting rid of equipment and stuff. And no one used our private parking lot, and I wanted to move some equipment, so I pulled into a handicapped parking spot. Sorry I did it. I don't really want to mention it, but... And he pulled, no one was using it. There was no one there, but I still get it, And he was like, oh, you think you're entitled, So he made a fake ticket, and he kind of got me, man. Like, I was like, man, how did I get this ticket? Like, I thought we had a private park. It was so funny. They banned the insulting investor, and they won't even let me type the name now. Has nothing to do with me, Gil. Shout out to everyone here. Digging the music today, LIFER. Shout out to Crypto Fieri. Thank you so much. When will the LIFER charge the Patreon with cryptocurrency? You can join the Patreon with cryptocurrency. Jump on in. Email cryptolifers@gmail. You can cancel your Patreon anytime and then jump on in and pay with cryptocurrency. Jump on it. We don't mind. Crypto LIFER, I hate Doge, but it's looking really good for a quick trade. What's up, fam? I'm late, but I'm here. Shout out to Rodney Robinson. You're never late. You're always here, my buddy. Have you reached out to YouTube customer service, Gail? Take it up with them, please. Thank you, JD. Appreciate that. Gail Thompson, you are good in here. Shout out to everyone. So if we break to the upside, says the daily, and we make it to the measured move at 66,700. So it's either 37,000 or 66,000, and that is the Bitcoin way. Which way will Bitcoin go? I believe that this was hidden bullish divergence, and that sells that we should always end up higher than the king head. Whenever we have hidden bullish divergence on the king head section, we end up higher than it. So by that means, I believe that we should end up higher than the previous high, and Bitcoin should end up to the upside. I've seen it play out like 90% of the time. So the probability is highly in our favor that we will go to the upside based on my 10 years of trading and technical analysis. So happy to be here. Hope everyone is having an awesome day and ready for a great weekend. Love all of you here. Vast Bank makes Bitcoin, ETH, ADA, and Litecoin available for purchase directly from FDIC-insured checking accounts. If you are a customer of the Vast Bank, dude, that's awesome, man. I now want to be a customer of Vast Bank. Crypto Fury, can you check out the list of silenced people, please? JD the trading, you must be joking. Okay, Gail, you're obviously having some type of breakdown. Please concentrate on the cryptocurrency only. Please. You're distracting me as well as everybody else in the stream. Okay? Trust me, man. Just calm down, please. And now watch, if you write a nasty comment after this, then we're gonna know that there's something going on, right? So just take a deep breath and say, I'm here for the love, I'm here for the gains. So your next comment right now should be, I'm here for the love, I'm here for the gains. Please. Please. Okay, so moving forward. See, there it is. There it is, see? Yep. Okay, moving forward. Trent, I'll check it. Sorry, I missed it. Bye. Thank you for the bad juju. And goodbye. We're all waving at you. Appreciate it. All right, let's take a look at hard. Okay, let's take a look at hard on the daily, okay? Why do I like hard? Hard's looking pretty hard to me, dude. It's looking hard. Number one, I get to use my accent on it. It's in a beautiful cup and handle. Starting to make its move out. Actually, starting to break out on the daily time frame. Touching the 21-day moving average. Getting busy. We're about to have a golden cross with the 50-day crossing the 200. Things are looking very nice for hard. It might get nice and easy for hard in a couple days. Shout out to anyone thinking about getting into hard. Hard looking absolutely bodeful. Hard, man, hard. I love that they called it hard. You just gotta love that. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. The reason why I say that is because a lot of people jump into the live. Bye, Felicia. Hey, here for the love and the gains. Address no negative vibes here. No room for negativity. Goodbye to you. Most trusted site to trade these coins. Peace and love, everyone. Jesus loves you, Gail. We are so happy to be here. Thanks for the VRA call. Making serious booms. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Solana pokes 140 and pushes to the upside. My call for Solana is moving. I have a position to go up to 181. I have not been wrong yet. Every single one of my targets for Solana has pushed to the upside. If you would join the Patreon, you would not be kicking yourself right now like, damn, why didn't I get into Solana? We were getting into Solana at $37. Someone say pizza. I kept thinking about Sunny Pizza since you said it. Oh, Sunnyside Pizza is so good, man. You got to check it out. They have a garlic slice. It's unbelievable. They like meld garlic into the cheese, into the sauce. They even put some garlic. Oh my gosh. It's a regular slice, but it's a thicker, bigger slice, and it's called the garlic slice. Unbelievable. Shout out to Sunnyside Pizza. I love you guys, man. I miss Sunnyside Pizza, baby. I spent 20 years in Queens. 20 years in Queens, the home of Sunnyside Pizza. And there it is. Always had to park in front of the hydrant every time. Because there's never parking in Queens. Never. Never, man. And that's a different restaurant. It's this tiny little hole in the wall right here. Look at this little slice. That's it. This is somewhere else. And just it was, I mean, look at that. Look at that pizza at Sunnyside Pizza. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Everybody, my wonderful wife. Come here, my wonderful wife. My wonderful wife. My wonderful wife. Everybody, this is my wonderful wife. She's the sweetest woman in the whole wide world. Always be good to your wife. And if you have a wife, be so happy and lucky that you do. If she's loving you, she's good to you. Thank the Lord every single day. Oh, thank you so much. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. All right, have a good day, baby. Okay, shout out to everyone here on the live stream. DOT is the next. See, you know, Solana paved the way for the fact that a coin can just do absolute damage, right? So DOT is the next coin. Now, I said there's a number one coin on it that's going to explode, right? In the title of this video. The number one coin. This alt is about to explode. I'm going to tell you which alt it is. We're going to get into it right now. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Let's take a look. Wow. I see where Summer gets it, man. Salute, Mrs. Lifer. Beautiful family. Pizzagate, LOL. Shout out to everyone here. Little things like that are why you are so genuine, Sam. Shout out to Rodney Robinson. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. So look at Solana now. It's doing what's called a flag. When things flag out, then you know they're ready for more. And I'm basically, you know, I use the flag to my advantage. I draw the flag, I project the flag before the flag even happens. I thought it would be here. I was a little early, it came up. It went up to there. There was my previous projection. You're not going to be perfect, but you're going to be better than the next guy who didn't project. Projecting is key. Shout out to Bad Karma up in the spot. Thank you for saying they're all sheep. Appreciate you for saying that. Okay. You're all sheep because you learn technical analysis every single day. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Adam Link, XRP and Doge. These are aligned to follow Solana. Yes, they are. Thank you for being an excellent example of a daddy. God bless you and your family, precious brother. Shout out to Jimmy Jam. Appreciate each and every one of you. Shout out to all the people in the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Staying positive every single day. You know, I remember when I used to work the night shift for 6 years. I remember when my hand went through a glass door and I was bleeding so hard that I had to clamp my hand down and hold the blood. Someone took a shoelace and put it around my arm. I was gushing blood. So every day that I'm here, every day that I'm alive, every day that I'm still sitting here doing what I do, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Then I had jobs and bosses that I couldn't stand. I tried to work my way through TV. I didn't mind it. I was successful, but at one point, I realized I was going to work for someone else for the rest of my life, and I was not going to have it. It was not going to be my way. So I found Bitcoin. I kept buying it. I got into it. I figured out my way, and I grinded, and I grinded, and I grinded. So shout out to anyone that doesn't know what grind is. Shout out to anyone that doesn't feel what it means to feel how low it could be. I was so depressed. I saw myself swinging in a noose. I'm going to admit it right now. I'm going to come out with it. You know what? This guy's making me want to come out with it. I was so depressed last December. I saw myself swinging in a noose for 2 weeks straight. For 2 weeks straight. Just recently, while I was running the Patreon, like I was going through, my wife's father had passed away. I had moved to a new city with no friends. The winter was dark and gloomy. It snowed every single day. I was outside shoveling and shoveling and shoveling. And I was in a dark place. I didn't know where cryptocurrency was going. The market was just coming at me left and right. And I was in a dark place. And I found myself again and I pushed through. You know, my channel got blocked for a week. And I sat and I prayed to God so hard. I prayed to God so hard and I really felt like I found myself deep in that moment. And I have never looked back since that point. I've never looked back. Soon it will be a year and I will cruise right through that moment. And I'll look back and I will never feel that low again. So anyone that's putting me down right now, anyone that's saying whatever he wants to say, I fought through all the pain right now just to be here every single day, man. And I'm going to continue to do it every single day. And I do not care what anyone thinks of me. I'm going to show and prove who I am every single day. Every single day. And with God's grace, I will prove it. With God's grace, I will prove who I am every single day. Boom, boom, boom. Everybody say WEYU. Let's take a look at WEYU. WEYU was it was interesting. I thought it was going to be, to me, my instinct and when I looked at it, something told me it was going to be big. I can't explain, certain times every once in a while I see that, but something told me it was going to be big. Something told me it was going to be big. Thank you for not ending your life. God has a massive plan for your life. Cry more, lifer. We were all in a dark places before we found the lifers. You are in light for so many people, bro. We love you so much. Man, I've lost everything. I've spent my whole life and now in a new town and nobody but the lifer fam. My bags and myself and the self-doubt and the stuff I lived through in me is not my bags. I love you, lifer. That's what I'm saying. I carry no more baggage. I used to carry all my past with me. I had it on my back all the time. I had my past on my back all the time. And now only look to the future every single day. What can I do for the lifers? What can I do for myself? What can I do for my group? Where can we go as a family? And that's all I think about now. I'm so structured, I'm so focused, and I'm so in love with what I'm doing. And I shout out to each and every one of you for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And you know what? It's with God's grace. It's with God's grace. And I don't want to be considered a charlatan. I've seen so many people pushing using God as their motivation to attach something to. All I can say is it's how I found my way. I can't explain it any other way. You know, I wish it wasn't attached to these charlatan ideas. And I wish there wasn't other people that did those things. I would never proclaim and talk about God so much publicly. I really wouldn't. I would just be like, yeah, like, yeah, this and that. But when you're in the darkest place like that, and you feel like you were lifted out of a hole, and then you see your life change immensely overnight, there has to be a reason for it. There has to be a reason, and it has to be a miracle, because those things had not happened to me in my life up to my 38-year period. Not that fast, not that amazing, not in that sense. Okay? So, anyway, you are nothing without God. Shout out to Rodney Robinson. Crypto Lifer, way better than Crypto No Lifer. Jesus paid the price so you don't have to carry junk. He loves us so much. Respect, man. Diamonds are made under pressure. Shout out to Jackman233. Appreciate you. I was in a dark place too, my brother. I'm getting out. Thank you for sharing, letting me know there's a positive way up. Place my faith in Christ. You're letting me know we're not alone. Much love. Shout out to PC. Everything happens for a reason. Shout out to Kristen Fieri. The meaning of meaning is meaning. I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Appreciate each and every one of you. Let's take a look at WEYU, if I can find WEYU. The right WEYU. There it is at $350 million market cap already? How is that possible? Unbelievable. It's 7 cents. The thing was like 0.006. Unreal, huh? Unreal. Look at the gains that came out of that. If you look at these gains. 792% gains on WEYU. I had a feeling it was going to pop too. Don't you start, bro. I'm in the office. Divine intervention pulled me off the bridge. Now I'm still here to share my love with everybody. Shout out to Krista Pierson. Never know I'd find a family online, but for nothing like it. This is when I go and love you, Sam. Thank God, the Creator, inner voice, but to keep the faith and find the love from the pits of hell. Blessed. Praise the Lord. Allah be praised. Shout out to Market Siphon. Find it wherever you look. The meaning of meaning is meaning. I feel what you're saying. I mean it. Just this week, man. Yes, you can. I made it out just this week, man. Yes, you can. Salty Army. Shout out to all the people in the live stream. WEYU doing damage. Unbelievable. And we knew, man, I had a feeling this was going to do damage. Why did I wait? Why was I busy traveling? Some days I wish I was in the hole. And look, it actually went up even more. It collapsed since the, oh my gosh. It was up 1,900%. I'll tell you what, and now it's moving on a fast trajectory to the upside. WEYU. We'll keep our eyes on this for the rest of the remainder of the week and into next week as well. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Let's take a look at Front. Front doing damage. Look at this cup and handle. Front starting to make its move. It's up huge since the open. Enter into the trade, right? Entry was right there at the blue line at 119. We're up at 138 in Front, looking like there's more with a tight moving average section here, getting ready for a blast to the upside. Let's take a look at DOT. DOT about to do damage. We could see a $100 DOT before you know it. I'm telling you right now, with the parachains, people booming in, soon there'll be an NFT craze in DOT. It's only a matter of time. We're going to have DOT NFTs, and people are going to be like, oh, you got to get this, and you have to buy DOT to get it NFTs. XRP hits 130. Positive vibes only. Where is XRP Muser when you need them? Moment of silence for XRP Muser, booming to the upside. And look, we gave you DOT. You'd be up 33% had you taken the trade, hitting the target right here with DOT. No stop loss got hit in the making of this video. Like no animals got hurt. No stop loss got hit in the making of this video. Shout out to Crypto Greg with the $50 super chat. And we're talking about DOT just doing serious damage and starting to kind of collect itself and move to higher levels. So there, we can reset. Shout out to anyone that took the DOT trade, booming to the upside. DOT up 33% and more coming. And that's a large cap, getting 33% out of a large cap. Unbelievable. And that's another message, 33% gains. Another channel boom to the upside. Booming, 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 booming. My goodness. My gooshness. And let's show you the win rate as we add more to the win rate every single day. We just keep adding wins to the win rate. Shout out to all the new Patreons jumping on into the Patreon. Appreciate each and every one of you. If you jump on in the middle of the night, please have some patience. We will get to you. My team usually works from about 9 a.m., 8 a.m. to about, 9, 10 at night. They put in a long work. 8 a.m. to 10 at night, that's a long schedule. But about 11, 10 o'clock, they cut it off. So if you're in another country and you want to join, sometimes I jump on in and I do it. But honestly, I'll tell you right now, I don't even know how to add people to the rooms anymore. There's a certain way to do it. And I usually mess it up when I do it now. My whole team yells at me and they're like, stop trying to do our job. You're bad at it. So I'm not good at company operations. I'm good at doing what I do. I'm the front man. I'm a good front man, all right? I learned that the hard way. I tried to run the business, and I almost ran it to the ground. I was missing appointments. I wasn't good at keeping interviews. I was doing all the, it was a mess. It was a mess. Now I got a team, basically a manager, and everything is perfect. Hop on the dot train. XRP is booming, and it's doing damage. AXS daily seems promising. We'll take a look at Axie on the daily. Lifer, are you doing NFTs? I have a ton of wax in my bag. I know, man. Just got in the Patreon. Excited to be here. Shout out to Rohit Gupta. Appreciate you, my friend. Appreciate you. Thank you for jumping on in to the Patreon. Yeah, did you send the BUSD? Maybe you end up doing something different. I never end up seeing it. Maybe I'm wrong. Let me check. No BUSD. Anyway, dot booming to the upside. And you can see the gains that come out of this channel. Just to kind of give you a little bit of a, this isn't like a couple week period, how we were tracking Solana since the beginning, how we gave you 100% gains on Solana. So 30% on Cody, CRV hitting a nice 17%, 34% gains on XDC. We'll take a look at that. Haven't looked at it in a few days. CTK, 44%. Axie, C98 when it first came out, nailing it for 28 and more, continuing up. Boom, boom, bim. And 40% gains on Sol and more to come. 27% gains on Algo, Doc booming, Dash booming. 47% gains, PNT booming. Solana hitting 108% gains and more. And we got you into Solana way back in the very beginning. We were looking at Solana. We were talking about getting in. 33% gains on Doc, 42% on MTV, 29%, 49% on Telcoin. Chi, 78% on Chi when it first came out. We nailed it. The list just keeps going. Cirrus, 119% gains on Cirrus. We hit it hard. We got Radium right before it hit. Said possible retest. It boomed literally an hour later. Congrats on KP3R. I looked at it closely, put you in the pennant, and it continued to rip. And booming dot. We are hitting consistently. Also, we cover more coins than any other Patreon. Hands down. We cover more coins than any other Patreon. We cover more coins than any other YouTube live stream. Hands down. There's no other YouTube live stream that covers this many coins. Easily. I have the timestamps to prove it. Take a look at this. We'll duplicate this right now, and we'll go to my next live stream, that one like yesterday. We'll take a look at it, right? And just take a gander at the timestamps that are here. Watch this be the one with no timestamps. Look at this. We take a look at the timestamps right here on one of my latest videos. And we look at it right here. And look at the timestamps. In one session, we went over Kava, VeChain, AVAX, Solanax, ADAX, Matic, Chi, Phantom, VeChain, Bitcoin multiple times, Pre, Link, Umbrella, Ferrum, Poke, FTT, VRA, ACH, Crypto Savvy. We talked about ADA, PRQ. He got stopped out hard. He was shorting from 42.9. If he has any followers, you may want to jump out of his crew and jump into mine. BTT, SRM, MFT, CTK, Uni, C98, YGG, new coin up in the game. ACH, new coin up in the game. Fourth, right? Rune, AVAX, EGLD, SAFEMOON, CTS. Come on. Who goes over that many coins in one live stream? Nobody. Who can talk this fast? Nobody. Who has the energy to keep up with the crypto lifer? Nobody. Man, not only can we produce the show that keeps you moving with the music, with the energy, but we give you the information because the whole idea is about your time not getting wasted. That's why I'm moving at the speed of light right now. That's why I talk this fast. That's why I push the stream with this type of veracity and this type of energy, because I know you're not trying to waste your time and I'm not trying to waste yours. I could sit here like this and be like, okay, dot's up 33%. And I can put no pressure on myself. To talk this fast and go through these coins like this puts a lot of pressure on myself. When this stream ends, I let out a deep breath and I'm just like, my abdominal muscles hurt. Like, they absolutely hurt. Like, this is an abdominal, like, I'm telling you right now. And I love it. I wouldn't give it up for anything else. It feels like a hardcore workout. I absolutely love this live stream. I look forward to it every single day. The adrenaline that it gives me, the pump that it gives me, the dopamine that it feeds me is literally the key for me to never getting depressed. Literally, like, so I pray to the powers that be. Anyone watching this, anyone hearing this, this channel is my love, and it's everything that gives me everything. If this channel ever got taken away from me, it would take so much out of me, and it would be so hard for me to pick up the pieces. I would definitely do it, and I would just go to a new place and a new platform, but it would devastate me beyond belief. I'm telling you right now, this is my true love, my true passion, and it gives me the reasons to fight through any type of depression that I used to have. So shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for joining with me. Thank you for being here. And I don't mind being open about my trials and tribulations. I don't mind being open about it There it is. You know, and then I wonder, are people going to judge me? In the back of my mind, I think about the judgment. And then my mind says, you have to let it go because you could pass away tomorrow. So if someone judges you today, does it really matter? And like Crypto Greg says, what they say about me is none of my business. Shout out to Dot. Look at this, forming a beautiful bit of an ascending triangle bull pennant, getting ready for its next leg to the upside. About to do a Solana, and we're telling you, man, about to do a Solana. Polkadot about to do some serious damage. There's your next leg up. Look, 33% again. That's insane. The last one was 33. The next leg up hits a 33 exactly. How did that happen? I can't make this stuff up. This is absolutely absurd. I cannot make this type of stuff up. That's awesome. That is such a sign of movement to the upside. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. 151 people. 119 likes. Can we get the likes up to the watchers? If you're watching with your phone, flip away the comment section there and hit the like button. If you're in your car listening, pull over. Pick your phone up. Hit the like button. If you're on your TV, you know, use your remote. I know it's a pain. Find that little place. Hit the like button. Do what you can for the Crypto Lifers. I greatly appreciate it. Help the algorithm move, man. Help more people find my channel. We get stifled every single day. We don't get the love of the algorithm. We really don't. Please help the channel grow. I would greatly appreciate it. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being a Crypto Lifer. I know the Crypto Lifers secretly don't want to hit the like button because they want to keep me all to themselves. They don't want me to blow up. They don't want to see Crypto Lifer get far away. Right now, they have them all the intimate Crypto Lifers, all 270 of the Crypto Lifers right now. Everyone's got them all. They're all like, you know, they don't want to let me go, man. Let me fly, Lifers. Let me fly, man. Hit the like button. I'm just messing with you. I'm with any movement with humble and positive motives. I'm here to make a better world to leave for my kids, and the Lifer shares these values. Can't put your trust in TA in a better place. Bro, if you could like it twice, I would. Shout out to Robin Nido. When Lifer passes away, we need a new Lifer, but Lifer cannot be replaced. Like, geez, don't call me, don't ask me like Jesus, man. Don't do that. Don't start turning me into an O show. All right. Being lazy. This isn't the place. We hustle here. Get in or get it gone. Get it in or get it on. No. I like the fam, not sharing. LOL. Shout out to Marin CXRP. Oh, man. 33% gains for Dot, man. Looking pretty nice. So what? What do we have here? 4 hours ready to rock. 1 hour needs to come on down. When the 1 hour hits this level, Dot's going to get ready for a move to the upside. It's kind of like a no-brainer. The whole world's going to be into Dot. Everyone's going to see what Solana did, and they're going to be like, what's the next one? Oh, it's the Polkadot thing. And they're going to jump on Polkadot. We were getting into Polkadot around $5. Polkadot's at 32. Getting ready. Getting ready. Getting ready. I'm telling you right now. When Polkadot hits its all-time high, back at 50, and it would be gone. She gone, baby. She gone. Polkadot getting ready for a massive move. Looks just like Bitcoin. And you're telling me it's not going to pump to the upside. Polkadot looking absolutely beautiful. Lifer is Master Splinter. Shout out to Tokyo Sex Whale. Appreciate you, man. You got the best name, man. You get the best name. That should be the name of the channel. Why don't you think Rune isn't moving? Some are holding that down. Well, yo, how many Lifer sessions do you need to learn? Jeez. He doesn't need to be Jesus. Just do your part. And let's take a look at Theta. Theta's got movements to the upside on the weekly chart. Telling you that we want to move. You look at the weekly chart and just play Theta on the weekly, give you 125%. And these are massive gains when you look at a giant chart like so. Also, what we see here is a constant swing down here. A nice swing down on the trajectory. A nice swing up. That is hidden bullish divergence. 9 out of 10 times we end up higher than the previous high. Theta. Lifer, I'm going to put my broken record here. LOL. Adam.link. LOL. Why did I use my real name? Shout out to Trent Osborne. Appreciate you. Hey, Lifer, what's your email? I want to send you an offer about social media to grow your channel. Send us to cryptolifers@gmail. Cryptolifers@gmail. What up, fam? Shout out to Kevin Tam up in the spot. Hey, Lifer, can you check out Matic and Uni? Kevin, did you quit your job yet? I feel like you have enough savings. There's no reason for you to go to work anymore, Kevin. I think you're done, man. Maybe I'm wrong, but I feel like you're done, man. And ETH about to break its all-time high. All-time high at 4,300. ETH booming to the upside, showing you the utility. Let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance. And Bitcoin dominance is falling. Why do you think that is? It's Ethereum. Yo, Lifer, I'm not working anymore. No more bathroom chat. I'm here, bro. I appreciate that, man. Shout out to Love Learning up in the spot. Hey, Lifer, can you check out Matic and Uni? Thank you. We'll take a look at that. Thank you so much. Can you do Win, please? We'll take a look at Win as well. Much love, Lifer. Thanks for all you do. Shout out to Produce the Beats for the $1.99 super chat. Oh, you know what, man? I don't even have my jar up. I just realized no jar. There we go, man. I messed up for the last couple of days not having a jar. It was a jar. I like to have a zoomed in screen, and then I like to also have a big screen, right? That one in the back should have been the zoom one, and that I just moved. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here and calling yourselves a crypto lifer. So we got some ice cream money. Let's see what's going on here in the chat. Check out Froze on me. What's the name of the soundtrack playing in the background? Give me the feel. Good vibes. Really need someone to give me some insight onto X crypto trades. Anybody in the chat DM me, like anybody use it anywhere? Never heard about it. Revain also met the target and gave me some nice more. I'm sure you said it before. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. I know, and then I had a rookie saying, I see it going to the downside. I'm looking at the guy like, there's a reason why, there's a reason why you are, you just, that's all I'm saying. Let's take a look at Revain. Pretty sure I had a call out for Revain. I want to see what's up here. Lifers, make sure you're searching. Make sure you're searching, your trades, looking at what's going on here. So Rev, it was sitting at what? 002 on the 15-minute. All right, let's take a look at it on the 15-minute. Yeah, this thing's at 33 now. Look, 33 spikes its head again. Boom. I mean, hit the target. Right up to the target. So I don't know why it didn't hold. Let me see. Maybe I put it on a different channel. Okay, I am doing the Bittrex one. That's why. The KuCoin one should give us there you go. And so look at this one, man. Nailed the target perfectly to the upside. Absolutely beautiful. Revain, another beautiful call that went all the way absolutely nicely. Actually went up even more, 50%. Call was right to the line, though. Bam, bam, bam. We get to add this, another trophy to the list of awesome wins, man. And every day I get to add trophies to the list of coins that pump to the upside. Revain was new. It was up on KuCoin. Low cap gem, ready to rock. Only at 2 cents. Figured it would do some serious damage, and there you go. Revain up 50% in about a day and a half. Rocking to the upside. You can see the call right here. Absolutely beautiful, clean call. Revain, asset, time frame, short term. And I'm just showing you, this is technical analysis. Just showing you what is possible here. Highest likely to pop on KuCoin based on the TA is Revain. I put a bunch of stars. When I put a bunch of stars, that means something. It means something. New low market gem can get sent easily. Low Stokes in the 1 hour and the 15-minute in a bull pennant running out of room, right? And there you go. And that's what we're talking about here. Shout out to anyone who took the call. Shout out to the Revain pump. Bam. When you're just getting started, it feels great to get a win. It feels absolutely great to get a win, And that's why, I love these types of trades. No stop loss got hit in the making of this trade. You risk 13 to get 10. That's a 5-to-1, 3.7 risk reward ratio. You're not, you're risking 1 to get 4 back almost. It's absolutely beautiful. Delete that text box. Sure, shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming in and appreciate each and every one of you for being here and calling yourselves crypto lifers. You're all amazing people, and without you, I wouldn't be here. So thank you so much for all the love. I really, 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 really appreciate it. Thank you to all the new patrons jumping on into the Patreon too. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. You guys are awesome. Thank you for being here. Don't sleep on GRT. I got hit the other night. So mad. VRA as well. We'll take a look at VRA. Join the Patreon. MTV moving, baby. Let's take a look at my baby, MTV. Multivac. Ooh! Sorry, I got a little loud on the mic, but I've been waiting for this day for a long time. Multivac booming to the upside on the way to my target. on the way to the target, kid. And let's take a look at that 15-minute getting sent all the way to the upside. Multivac booming to the upside. Absolutely beautiful. I have a beautiful trade for Multivac as it continues to pump to the upside. So excited. Multivac doing its thing. I'm going to take a look at my trade over here in another window. Wow. Big day to be in the Patreon. Big day. Wow. Big day for mine. Wow. Huge day. Huge day. Huge day. I just take a look at my overall portfolio of wins. What I'm holding right now. I got some low cap gems too. All right, I'm about to give you guys just a free flash of what I'm holding. Get ready. This is a free flash. Normally, I only give this stuff to the Patrons. Free flash to anyone right now. Look, we got some ELF up 42%. DAC, DACC up 33%. This thing could do some serious damage. DACC. Multivac up 23. Revane, Solana, Cargo X, Wanchain, right? MWAT, this crazy thing. Restart Energy, MWAT. We're going to take a look at that. Audius, Litecoin, Power Ledger, CV, Car Vertical, and Orange Trail, or Origin Trail, Track. Look at these, all doing serious damage today to the upside. Account is up in Bitcoin. Account is up in Ethereum. Account is up. Boom. This is the paper trading account, right? This is the real account. All green, baby. All green on the day. Absolutely happy. I don't want to be rude and show you what the count is up because that would be rude, but it's up very, very nicely. You can imagine. You can only imagine. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being a crypto lifer. I love this life, man, and I wouldn't change it for anything else. I really wouldn't. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Okay, so MTV rocking and rolling, booming to the upside. I love to see what's going on with MTV, making a nice fancy move. MTV, man, long-term hold there. Wow, and Phantom just booming to the upside at 89. It wants more, man. We're going to take a look at Phantom when we get a chance as well. And MTV, man, I'll talk about a long-term hold. Been in MTV for literally, I got in May and had to hold it through the down and up. I just held it the whole time, and it's finally up 89% gains on MTV. Took forever, man. XRP booming to the upside. Absolutely beautiful. XRP, man, the XRP trade's absolutely awesome too. I'm holding a long-term REEF trade, but look at this XRP, man. $1,500 in XRP turns into 7K. I mean, that's what I'm talking about, man. Put your stimulus in XRP right when it came out, you'd have 7K right now. Isn't that amazing? Tian, Mbox, you held through the pain. Yeah, love MTV. Step 1, LIFER testimonies. Yeah, read the testimonials, man. See what people are saying about all the awesome stuff that's going on. You won't believe it. I'll read a couple testimonials real quick, and then, I don't want to read too many. I don't want to read too many because there's so many. So right here, look, the Crypto Lifer testimonials, right? This is a very understated comment. I've only been in 2 days and seen a lot on the TA side of things. I got wrecked in the stock markets and 2, trading off of hype. No more, man, no more. Thank you, Lifer, for showing me the way. But I have to big up to all the lifers too as well. Reading all your comments, I'm picking up and fast. Wish you all, mans and ladies, the very best in your trading journey. This group, without doubt, is the biggest game changer I've ever come across in my life. Not just for the crypto education, but for the motivation for life in general. You are also uplifting and amazing people in here. The energy in this group is real. It permeates through the Lifer stream and this Telegram group. Thank you all so much. And many, many blessings for all you and all of your family. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. I appreciate each and every one of you, right? Then there's just testimonials about what they had going on and what happened to them, My mindset has been blown and changed. Been following Lifer and became a Patreon for 2 months now. And I've been my first tutorial yesterday. So he was in a Patreon for 2 months. He finally got tutoring. I feel 100 times more confident trading and 1 billion times more taking profits. For me, learning to trade was like learning a new language. He has helped me speed up the process and really change the game for me and my family. Hands down, the best teacher, in my opinion, in the crypto space today. Trust me, I've paid a few $1,000s on other teachings. My life is now high on the stochastics and oversold on trading. To the Lifer, his family, and the crew, sincere thanks from me, my wife, and the kid. Life-changing tutorial and group to prosperity and beyond. And I could keep going. Read as much as you want. There's hundreds and hundreds. Some are paragraphs long. Some are pages long. I don't believe in a faint praise. Anyone who has been in a hard spot, anyone that has a different kind of grit, you are building something worth having. Credit is where credit is due. Bobby. Shout out to Bobby in the spot, man. I've been following LIFER for about 6 months. My first impression was he a bit rough around the edges, but when I looked closer, I realized what I was seeing in the education in the heart of someone who has everything to lose. There is nothing more potent than the hustle of someone who has been down and has people who rely on him. He is real without apology, day in and day out. To say he has done work is an understatement. He trades live as he makes calls. He opens his books with lose or draw. He is in the trenches with everybody else. He will show, do, and wash, rinse, repeat, day in and day out. He shows out on the red days much more than on the green days. The days when the market was blood on the streets, he shows extra. When the market was boring as F for weeks, he is there full stream. The green days, he has the same energy. Just ask everyone when they have been. Everyone where they have been. The field of crypto personalities is saturated, and his genuine, generous heart is what sets this channel apart. Technically, he brings it as well as anyone could want. I've taken the tutoring with him, worth it. After months, I've joined his Patreon, worth it. Any given day, I've been able to get through to him and the community. He is building the most diverse I've ever seen as far as age, country, where they are in their lives. This community and channel is a gem. I highly encourage you to look twice. If you have any questions from someone who's in the programs after a skeptical 6 months, feel free to hit me up on Telegram at Daft Mantis. Yo, one of the greatest things, and I can't pay these people to write these things. These are real testimonials, unlike Oracle Crypto Kingpin Scammer. Please dive into XSWAP and Anchor Protocol. Okay, we will. XSWAP. XSWAP, you mean. XSWAP. Okay, talking about XSWAP, overview, charts, market. XSWAP 004, tiny. Interesting. Up in the DeFi, markets, fundamentals, news, discussions. Can we get a link? They give you all this information. Could they give you a link to XSWAP? You can get it on Uniswap for USDT. Only place you can get it. Pay some high fees for XSWAP. Interesting. Can I see it anywhere else? Let's take a look. XSWAP, coin cost. Wow, there's so many new coins here. Coin cost. XSWAP. Interesting. Buy, sell. It's on Uniswap. It's starting to come out. I'd like to see the actual website. That would be nice. It's already wasting a little bit of my time. So we're going to move forward a little bit and then I'm out of here. Coinbase, there it is. XSWAP, they're already talking about here at 0056. Quite interesting. Not enough data. It's on the rise this week. Interesting. Up 21% in the past 7 days. This thing could do some damage. Look at the size of this thing. Not supported by Coinbase. Where is the... I'm trying to find the link to this thing, man. Making it very, very hard. All right, my admins, someone find the link for this and DM me. I can't go through this anymore. I'm going to move on. Thank you so much. Yeah, for now on, I'm not wasting, because I'm wasting people's time. And then I get upset that I'm wasting other people's time. All right, bearish div on ETH. Yeah, Prom is rocking. Anyone in it yet? Prom. I sent a super chat, but it didn't show up, I guess. Anchor and Protocol has a nice shot. Good interest rate. Anchor, man. MTV booming to the upside. Probably likely here it'll go sideways a little bit now as the 1 hour and the 15 minute are a little spent. Look for it to go sideways now and find its way, you know? Okay. Okay, SEC reported. Interesting. SEC investigates Uniswap. The United States Securities Exchange is reportedly investigating Uniswap behind the world's largest decentralized exchange, Uniswap. The regulator has initiated a probe into Uniswap's main developer, Uniswap Labs. The report says the enforcement attorney are now looking for information about Uniswap's marketing and investor services, citing anonymous sources familiar with the matter. A spokesman for Uniswap Labs reportedly said the firm is committed to complying with laws and regulations governing our industry and to provide information to regulators that will assist them with any inquiry. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange that enables users to swap between Ethereum-based coins tokens without central entity. The exchange is ranked the largest decentralized exchange with 1.5 million trading volume over the past 24 hours at the time of writing this, according to the data from CoinMarketCap. Cointelegraph reached out to the SEC and Uniswap with additional queries regarding the matter. The article will be updated pending new information. This news comes amid the U.S. regulators paying increased attention to the decentralized industry, with SEC Chairman Gary Gensler last month announcing the authority's plans for more crypto-related rules targeting DeFi, token offerings, and stablecoins. In late August, the regulator signed a $125,000 deal with blockchain analyst and Chain8 to get tech assistance in monitoring and regulating the DeFi industry. Prior to the SEC's increased efforts, please regulate it, please, so we don't feel like we're on the out ends of society. Please regulate it, and we'll all comply and do what we have to do. Shout out to everyone here on the LIFER. You should hop on BitBoy stream really quick and super chat like $100 and tell him you'd love to come on the show sometime. Not only would he see you, but thousands of viewers would as well. Shout out to Jane Doe. We've done that before. I don't think he really even sees it. Also, you see that I'm unable to super chat him. I'm unable to super chat him. So if I hop on live right now, also, I don't want his stream to interfere, but if I hop on his stream and I super chat, look, I hit the super chat button. I think because I have a channel, like they won't let me. Look, I'll hit a $20, you know. Please. So I write that and I hit send, right? Typos, obviously. And look, it doesn't let me send them. I can't super chat them, man. I tried many, many times. I have no idea why. So someone's got to do it for me. Someone's got to hook me up. I've tried to do it, but damn, I've thought about it so many times. That's a bad idea. I sent you a DM and link and news. Oh, XSWAP.com. Thank you for the link. Decentralized finance and services, DeFi, powered by AB Chain. XSWAP is the world's first DEX built on the revolutionary AB Chain, the multi-layered programmable blockchain for high-speed transactions. Multi-chain, multi-wallet bridge. XSWAP supports a multi-chain, multi-wallet that users can securely store their digital assets. XBridge provides the interchain liquidity for all transactions on AB Chain for decentralized applications and serves on XSWAP platform. Staking and yield platform. Users will be able to stake their assets, provide liquidity, and leverage multi-yield farming and opportunities. Dude, this is huge. Loan. You could be a lender or a borrower. Interesting. This is very interesting. Use XSWAP. I like this, man. Thank you for putting this on our radar, man. Write this down, guys. XSWAP. This thing looks unbelievable. Thank you so much, man. Man, my analysts are booming all the time, pushing so hard, giving us that good info. Okay. Your energy swap is going to be the one I don't like, but that's just what I see. Yeah, energy swap, right? One of these swaps is going to take over. One of these swaps is going to be big. Use energy. This one's cool because you can almost get any coin you need here. You can trade almost anything you want at energy swap. I use a different browser. We'll have to see that. Hey, LIFER, Star Atlas got listed on FTX and Radium yesterday to buy. Done 6,000% pump jump in if you can't. Yeah, man, I knew it was going to pump like that. I knew it was going to be the hottest coin ever. How were we supposed to get it beforehand? Was there a pre-sale that we should have gotten into? My issue, man, I have a stupid question. Is Poly address the same as ETH? Can't seem to find any docs on MetaMask. Usually your Poly address will be exactly the same. All your addresses will be exactly the same. Your Binance, your Poly, your Phantom, they'll all look the same. The chain will just be different. That will throw you for a loop. It threw me for a loop, but eventually it makes sense and all will be well. Anchor Protocol is big in my opinion. You can please dive into it. I think it pays about 90% interest. Also has a link to Terra Luna. No, Anchor and Luna are gonna. So what's gonna happen is Luna's gonna pump just like Solana pump. Highly likely you're gonna see a pump from Luna. Let's take a look at where Luna's at right now. Still forming a bull pennant. All right. So Luna looking really, really nice. So I like what I'm seeing here with Luna, of course. Hello, Star Atlas listed on FTX Exchange. FTX has it all, baby. It's getting harder and harder for us to access the hotness, man. It really is. FTX blocks you. I just want everything to get regulated so I can access it all, claim my gains, show everyone what's going on, right? Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being a crypto lifer. Okay. Everyone has their own agenda, though. You may just be biased. Just talk. It was a pre-sale. I lost out, but still not too late. LIFER doesn't need BitBoy. BitBoy needs LIFER. Shout out to Rodney Robinson. Appreciate you, man. It's true, though. I have a stupid question. Yeah. I'm looping in. Everyone has their own agenda. My own agenda is getting all those BitBoy viewers to join the LIFER gang. That's what you got to do, guys. Make it your life goal to get them on over here. It should be regulated. It's sad. AMC USDT on KuCoin looks the same. Has hit before it popped. 3x can come. Yeah, I was looking at ANC USDT. Yeah. So Luna highly likely to boom to the upside as well. Luna looking absolutely scrumptious. Nice little snacky treat for Luna on the 1 hour, about to get oversold. Luna at the bottom of the pattern, getting ready for its move. Luna. And who wants to see a live stream on the beach later on today? We'll jump on in and get a live stream going at the beach. Please don't chat in this room. See this room here? Charts and ideas? Do not chat in here, my loves. All my loves. I'll call you my loves. Don't chat in here, my awesome peoples. I will delete your chats, and it doesn't mean I'm mad at you. I do not. It's for everybody else. This place has to only have charts. And, my live stream gets posted in every room. But I just want people to scroll here and look at charts and ideas like this. Charts and ideas, charts and ideas, charts and ideas. Nothing else. I don't want any GIF, any gab. Because once a couple charts chat get in, then all the chats get in, and then next thing you know, it's ruined. And it's not a clean room anymore. So keep that room clean for me. Please read the news I sent you with XSWAP. I think we did read the news. Let's take a look at what you're saying here. Abbey Foundation, news with Bitcoin. Okay. Abbey Foundation, the organization that oversees the activities of multi-layer blockchain protocol Abbey Chain, has revealed the launch of XSWAP, its native decentralized exchange that developed. This development is expected to herald the beginning of innovations with Abbey Chain DeFi ecosystem. XSWAP is built on Abbey Chain, the infrastructure that is designed to be highly scalable and support up to 10,000 transactions per second. These qualities mean that the DEX will be able to handle greater amounts of transactions as adoption increases. XSWAP differs from traditional DEXs as it introduces a unique trading concept based on an automatic liquidity protocol and an automated market maker system. In addition, XSWAP has no central intermediary, making the DEX completely decentralized and permissionless. XSWAP is fully compatible with ARC20 tokens and supports cross-chain assets like Bitcoin, ETH, Litecoin, BNB DOT, and AST, making it a truly multi-chain decentralized exchange. Its infrastructure also supports non-custodial open-source wallet service from MetaMask and Abbey Wallet. The DEX solves the problem for liquidity faced by centralized cryptocurrencies with its automated liquidity protocol trading model. As a result, liquidity providers are incentivized to stake their capital within supported liquidity pools. Dude, the XT token, XSWAP has a native governance token called XT. A total supply of 12 billion XT tokens will be distributed to users and rewarded to liquidity providers to stake the tokens on supported pools. In addition, XT provides holders voting rights on new developments and changes to the DEX, somewhat of include the distribution of tokens and the future changes to the fee structure. About Abbey Chain. Abbey Chain is a third-generation blockchain protocol that combines decentralization, security, and scalability via its hybrid consensus mechanism. This ensures that decentralized applications are significantly faster and cheaper to execute with its blockchain. Abbey Chain currently boasts of more than 100,000 users and rapid expanding ecosystem. To learn more about XSWAP, visit htt.xswap.com. Amazing, man. Thank you for putting that on our radar. Adam for the win, though. BitBoy just pumped his own coin, right? You better than BitBoy. Go real, bro. You don't need BitBoy. Shout out to Hadang. Shout out to all my peoples, man. Adam gonna pop. I gave 25 for a short read on win. All right, let's take a look at all the super chats. Anchor Protocol. Anchor and Mirror. Yeah, definitely nice protocols. Anchor and Mirror. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here and kicking it with the Crypto Lifer. Love y'all. Love each and every one of y'all for being here with me. Thank y'all. Booming, booming, booming. My Phantom bag is just getting so fat. Phantom just ripped up to 96. We'll take a look at Phantom for you as well. Almost, I have to be honest, but every single trade we posted in the last 3 days is up huge. Every single trade we went over together as a team. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. All right, I'm going to get here into the different. I want to make sure I didn't miss any super chats. $25 with the Ron 25. Can you do win, please? We'll take a look at win for sure. Much love to LIFER and all you do. Thank you so much. I got excited today, guys. I'm super excited. Super excited. Anchor Protocol is a nice chart. All right, we still got to go over Bitcoin. Back to Bitcoin. We go over total dominance. We have to go over total to Bitcoin dominance. I want to take a look at the Dow Jones as well. I haven't looked at that in days. I want to take a look at gold if I can. Thanks for your help. We'll take a look at win right now. BitBoy, aluminum foil, LIFER equals platinum. Ooh. Shout out to all the people on the live stream. Get a position in EOS before they announce the bullish exchange. Interesting. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you for coming on in. Let's take a look at EOS as well. EOS, you know, Dan Larimer, EOS is going to be big. Wow. I mean, someone already knows something's going on with this exchange because EOS is pumping to the upside. That's a breakout. That's a breakout of a bull pennant. And look at that move to the upside for EOS. Doing damage. Bullish div on the Stokes. Bitcoin in a cup and handle on the 15-minute. Reset without price action change. Bullish div on the Stokes. EOS supposed to be huge. And bullish div on the RSI on the 15. How do I get my wife to be okay with me looking at screens all the time? You just got to buy her a bunch of stuff and take her to Airbnbs with all your winnings. That's what happens. Good day, LIFER. Take her out to dinner 3 times a week and take her to Airbnb once a month, and she won't say a word about you staring at a screen. Show her the money, bunny. Show her the money, Benny. Yeah, you got to show her the money, honey. Your life, you got to show her. It's this, baby. You got to show her these, man. You got to show her a couple of these puppies. That's what you got to do, man. That's what you got to do, man. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. She can love you, but she loves you when she loves you, when she loves you, when she loves you, when she loves the money. She can love you when she loves you, when she loves you, when she loves you, when she loves you, when she loves the money. I just came up with that, by the way. Catchy as hell. Catchy. Right, let's get in the studio and trap it out. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. Is it okay if I work into the timestamp? I will work for 1 month for free. If you like my work, we can continue. Yeah, definitely. You could jump on it. We got a guy doing it, but you could work under him. And you could kind of be his underling. You know what I'm saying? And he could kind of do other things. And you could free him up because he has other things to do. So you know what? DM me, crypto_lifer, or email cryptolifers@gmail. Do both if you have to. And say, I'm the guy that wants to work as the timestamp guy. Yeah, I need people to help me with the timestamps. AMC USDT, please. The daily is so bullish, it's insane. Yeah, baby, let's record that. Freestyle, bro. You guys are crazy, man. Can you look again at hard? Didn't get it the first time. Just go back to hard then. You can go back in the stream. Bro, check everRISE. everRISE. I want to take a look at everRISE. Haven't looked at everRISE in a long time. Is she ever rising or is she ever falling? Not too bad. I got to go to a bigger time frame. You know what? I mean, for a coin that went up and down like that, that's consolidation. I mean, that's a bull pennant. Like, I've called that a bull pennant many, many times. And it just getting ready. So, I mean, in my mind, yeah, I mean, it's not looking too bad. When you don't have a pole, you just take the length of the back end of the triangle. everRISE looking pretty nice. $29 million market cap. Just getting started. everRISE. You mean never rise. Hey, broski, can you look at Spirit Swap and Spooky Swap on Phantom? They are the 2 biggest dexes. LIFER, can you look at Axie on the daily? We'll take a look at that too. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. 147 people on the likes. 160 people. Wait, we got more likes than watchers, huh? Appreciate each and every one of you for coming on in. Thank you guys for being a part of the live stream. Excellent connection. So happy that that's all rocking out. I can't stand this, man. Just to watch my live stream, it's making me do this every 5 seconds. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, shout out to everyone here, man. EOS, highly likely to pump to the upside, breaking out, looking very bullish. Has the bullish exchange coming out. That's going to be a big deal. EOS and the bullish exchange. We're going to have so many exchanges to choose from in the next couple of years. It's going to be bananas. It's going to be absolutely bananas. So many
So many exchanges to choose from. There's going to be so many exchanges to choose from, man. It's going to be absolutely incredulous. Incredulous, for sure. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. I probably say it 100 times during the live, but I mean it. I mean it. Can we take a look at Matic and Rune? Thank you. Please, can we get a position EOS before the announce of the bullish exchange? Yeah, I agree what he's saying, and that's why we're kind of still looking at this. Look for EOS to get the pullback. It's high on the 1 hour. Look for the pullback for entry. Pullback for entry is the key for EOS. Something like this. But I see, yeah, 53% gains coming out of EOS. 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 Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being a crypto lifer. I got everything fixed now. My screen can't turn black because I got the screen closed. I figured out how to do it all, baby. I figured out how to do it all. Now, every once in a while, though, the link isn't working now, which I find strange. What if I just post the link? Would it work, too? Can you just post the link? I don't think that works. I could try that, though. No, that don't work, see? It's just not nice and clear. Okay, so the coin that's about to pop is AVAX. That's the coin I'm talking about today that's going to be, I think, AVAX. Because you know why? It has the ecosystem like Matic. It's got the ecosystem like Solana. It could boom to the upside and do some serious damage. So I'm looking at AVAX very, very closely right now. Very, very closely. And AVAX is the one. I'm telling you right now. We already talked about getting into AVAX down here. Positional strength in it about, 41 was the idea here. Inside of this shoulder. I positioned that this was a shoulder. Let's get in on the right shoulder. And boy, was that a correct projection to the upside. Now it's retesting previous highs and getting low on the 1 hour. That's a retest with a low 1 hour. That is a retest for AVAX. AVAX, man, there you have it. It'll go past 50 and it'll never look back, or it may look back one day, but in this bull run, it won't look back. So AVAX for the retest, man. AVAX for the retest. Looking scrumptious, just to say the least, man. We had low curving stows. We had bullish diverted. We had a bunch of things that got us going when we first kind of looked at where we were on the, that's what we called the bottom right there. I called the bottom for AVAX at 36 on the bullish divergence. I called the exact bottom. At first, I can actually look at everyone dead in the face. I called the bottom for AVAX right there. I found this inverted head and shoulder. I found the wedge, yada, yada, yada. Yeah, it is what it is. It's not about me tooting my horn. It's how good the TA is, man. The technical analysis plays out for you. Respect the TA. Respect the TA. All right? Yeah, every once in a while, I hit copy link, and it swings around, and it doesn't copy the link. She's playing games, baby. And you want to be in the hot coins right now. The hot mover coins. Everyone's going to jump on this when this starts to move. Everybody, man. My new breakfast fave is melon. Preferably a whole half of a watermelon or a full honeydew. Melons are so good for you and so easy to digest. Perfect first thing to eat. So gentle on your body. Hydrating. My bikers in-laws are hardcore vegans. And they are monster athletes. They eat melon in the morning every day. When I was in Cali with them, I started eating with them in the morning. I love the breakfast melon routine. Now, I usually eat a honey melon or actually watermelon. Let's get it moving. I haven't eaten anything yet today, so I might as well get in to some watermelon, right? Watermelon ready to go. Honestly, watermelon gives you strong bones. It's not milk. Yeah, watermelon will give you strong bones, no lie. Shout out to everyone here. So Lee, I should just put the title of the video and just left this up. I'd like to get another computer and another channel that just says like live posts and just put live trades up and just let them run for days. I'm going to do that. I'm going to make Crypto Lifer live trades. It's going to be another channel, a whole nother channel. All it's going to be is just like a stream of the live trade playing out over and over again. Yo, mangoes are the key too. I love mango. I eat mangoes all summer long, man. Lifer, have you figured out a way to improve your liquid vitamin D's horrible taste? I don't know, man. It tastes horrible, right? Liquid vitamin D. But you got to do it, man, especially in this pandemic. Keep your vitamin D high. Keep your vitamin C high. Take your zinc and quercetin. I built a test token on AVAX. That's pretty cool. So Anchor Protocol, $384 million market cap. Better Anchor savings. This is cool right off the bat. I mean, that's sick. That's sick, man. Anchor offers better yields. Anchor yield is stable and attractive. Powered by staking returns from multiple proof-of-stake blockchains. Anchor offers easy integrations. Open source savings as a service SDK can be integrated in 10 lines of code to any service application holding user balances. Anchor offers frictionless access. Anchor savings has no minimal deposits, account freezes, or sign-up requirements. It can be used by anyone in the world with access to the internet. Wow. I like this, man. Anchor Protocol, a better savings account. I mean, we're getting products that are way better than the products that are given to us now, right? Okay, everyone, no offense. People were signing up to Patreon and saying, oh, it charged me the next month, and I didn't know it. I am not your mother. I am not your father. I'm going to make this very clear. You join the Patreon. It's going to charge you every month. Read the fine print. It's right there. I have nothing to do with it. I can't cancel I can't cancel you out. Like, I mean, I could probably kick someone out of the group or kick them out of the Patreon. I guess I could. I've never tried to do it. My whole thing is this. You have to freaking cancel the button. It's just like Netflix. Is Netflix going to come to your door and be like, hey, we're going to ask you every month if you want to cancel? No, like, you have to cancel your subscriptions. I'm a monthly subscription. You got to cancel it on your own. It's only had 3 people in the last 4 months, but they're like, they write me a story like, oh, I didn't know it was going to keep, I'm like, dude, like, I can't take care of you, you know? Tomb just fell through. Yeah, because all those things, Tomb, one of my favorite projects. Guys, you can't be in projects. Those tiny little coins aren't things you want to be hard in. Awesome, man. The timestamp guy. So now we got another timestamp guy. Guys, look out for better timestamps coming at us next. So AVAX looking like it's about to pop. Let's take a look at Total 2. Get him, dog. Woof. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. Could you look at IQ, please? Let's take a look at IQ. Thank you for the super chat, the 333 from Chris Pierson. Everpedia on Bittrex. Open up a Bittrex account, guys. I think it's awesome. All right, this thing just came out. Has really no liquidity. Yeah, I mean, this is something you just kind of take a shot on. I mean, there's really nothing we can talk about here. We go. Sorry, little burp there. Let's take a look at it maybe somewhere else. IQ, USDT. OKX, does have more? Everpedia. I like the name right off the bat, like Everpedia. Let's take a look at the 4-hour on this one. Look, it's forming the bowl, right? It's forming the consolidated bowl that we all know and love. That eventually forms the cup and handle and gets us out of the sticky situation. So far, so good for IQ, right? So far, so good. Shout out to all my New Yorkers up in the spot, representing New York. I'm back in my home, man. I was here. It wasn't my home. My home's Boston, but I lived here for 20 years, man. This is like a hard watermelon, but not bad. Look at this. Consuming watermelon has been correlated in improved cardiovascular function because it improves blood flow via vasodilation, relaxation of blood pressure, and it is rich in potassium, which helps retain calcium in your body, resulting in stronger bones and joints. 8 benefits of watermelon. I'm telling you right now, too many people don't understand how much their fruit is helping them out. People want strong bones, they drinking milk. Eat your watermelon, baby. DAG, ABLT, VX, Quant, I'm telling you. No, you're right. Bilbo Dickens, no, you're 100% right. We like DAG. We like ALBT. Haven't looked at that yet. I could have told you that, brother. Watermelon is serious. Yeah, baby, you're a legend. Shout out to Tenacious Tim up in the spot with a $5 super chat. Tenacious Tim, I love you, baby. Yeah, and follow me on TikTok, guys. If you're not following me on TikTok, let me show you what's going on. You could waste your time there. Think about it. You could waste your time there, or you could be here. Where do you want to be? Shout out to the 12,100 followers on our way to 13K. On our way to 13K, baby. Follow me at TikTok, baby. If you go to the video, if you go to my video here and you go to down here to the TikTok, the Crypto Lifer, man. 9,100 followers, 23,000 likes. Look, 1,400 views in our last video right there. 3,000 views. Booming, man. Booming. 500 views, 54,000 views on this crazy little freaking, I don't know what it was, a crawfish, something like that. But there it is, man. Hey, man, can you give your opinion on BNB? We got to get some more videos up in there, though. We're slacking on that. We got to get this going. I'll get you a gopher if you need a gopher, man. Let me know, man. You don't even have to do it. We get you a gopher. Let's take a look at BTC again. Bitcoin holding above 50K beautifully, beautifully well as the 1 hour has to reset. So we want to see this 1 hour come down. And again, this is what it comes down to. We're going to hit the 15-minute. We're going to create this. We're going to stretch this out. All right. We're going to watch this. This could get low and pump on the 15-minute even, which is very possible. And we can see the 1 hour flip. So this could get low here, and we could see an entry right there. We are touching the 21-day. Highly likely Bitcoin could pump again to 52,229 just off this pump right here. So we're all our eyes are watching this because there's a chance that Bitcoin starts to pump literally not too long from now on this 15-minute low. Now, we watch this 1 hour, and what we could see is the 1 hour could do something like this. It could top up here again and then come down, or it could be heading down either way. I set an alert down here either way, so when we do hit it, that will be close to an entry or a closer point to an entry. And then we also project into the future here. And this is what I do. I project the pattern before it shapes. If it breaks my pattern, I know we're bearish. If it stays in the pattern, I know we're bullish. It's very simple. And then I use this with an alert on the stochastics, and that's basically my plan, man. And most people look at it like, what is he talking about? But if you learn my basics, then you learn the fulfilling ideas of how I was able to transform my system into a working, living, breathing system that actually is always alive and following the price of Bitcoin for me every single day of the week. That's how I'm able to do what I do. And that's how I'm able to stay extremely, 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 extremely profitable and maintain a high level of, probability. I see you stepped your game up. Keep going, my guy. Shout out to Rodney Robinson. Shout out to Michael Jordan. Anyone in CRV or IOTX? Anyone Bueller? I'm in CRV or CLV. What am I in? Yeah, I'm in CLV. I'm in CRV right now. I'm holding this thing, and it's been playing games with me, man. But you know what? We got a higher low right now starting to form an uptrend. 200-day moving average moving to the bottom of the pattern. Highly likely we're going to get our pump to the upside. Highly likely. I'm holding CRV, man. I've been in CRV for a minute. This is my trade, baby. This is my trade. CRV. All right. CIV, baby. CIV. And now you're getting to the hot spot right there. I mean, 4 hours ready to rock. 1 hour just needs to complete its cycle. 15-minute completing the cycle. You know what? That's getting very close to entry, man. Sniper entry for CRV right now. Sniper entry. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. And this is the risk-reward ratio tool. We're not giving any trades out here at all. Just showing you this is the risk-reward ratio tool. It's giving you a 4.28 to risk-reward ratio. This is a bull pennant. I'm just going over the technical analysis on CRV. Just what the TA tells us is going to happen. That's the measured move. If you draw the length of this pole to there, it tells you get 17% on the CRV. That's what we're seeing here for CRV. Market booming to the upside. Let's take a look at total 2, Bitcoin dominance, and get to brass tacks in the market. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Hope I'm not missing some super chats. Let me jump into the super chats. Having a harder time multitasking today than some other days. Dot 4-hour flag, ready to go. Yeah, we gave a call for Dot already. Dot ready to explode. Polkadot doing damage. Ferrum Network just getting started. Ferrum, baby. Shiba Uno looking like it's about to do some damage as well. ICP looking good. RSR, oldie but goodie. A lot of people love that coin. Dot to 50 this weekend. Possibly. If Bitcoin goes to 100, I will shoot up. Shout out to Jumpman. If Bitcoin goes to 51,000, it will shoot up to 51,002. Hilarious. C98. Keanu Inu chart. Still in buy, waiting on her, about to chart. Yeah, you got to wait on buy. You got to wait on everything, man. You're a legend. Shout out to Tenacious Tim. Appreciate you, bro. Could you look at IQ if you have the time, please? Phantom, baby. Yo, Phantom doing damage. Get a position in EOS. We took a look at that. Thanks for all you do. LIFER, BitBoy needs LIFER. Yeah. Star Atlas on the FTX exchange. Anchor Protocol. We went over that. Nice interest rates. Okay, so far so good. Let's get back to the brass tacks. THETA USDT. We took a look at THETA already. SAFEMOON. Dot. You forgot the win for Super Chat. Thank you so much. Okay, so we'll do total too. So total, look, I positioned it in this. Look, it did the inverted head and shoulder, and then it broke out. I projected this flag maybe way back here. Way back here. So I've been projecting the entire market cap for you guys, and we've been hitting it consistently, right? It tells me that the whole market cap was in this. I projected this flag before anybody else did. We were the first people to project this flag and show that it was breaking out. This tells me that the market cap's going all the way to $3.25 trillion, man. That's going to break the previous all-time high of the market cap. Look at this. Look at this. We're very close to the all-time high right now. We're very close. This whole market's about to be back to where it was when we came back down. This was a simple correction, and look, we're actually back to brass tacks. This is insane. Did they pull the rug out from everybody and bring us back down again for a bit of a correction, or do we at least get to the all-time high, come back down, find our way, and then boom to the upside? Time will tell, and I'll be doing the TA all the way to the upside. Litecoin going to $280, man. Litecoin booming to the upside. You called it. Luna ripping to the upside. Luna doing damage, baby. I see you have stepped your game up. Keep it going, my guy. Shout out to Rodney Robinson. All right, I'm just reading those. Okay, so yeah, so total too, man. All is well right now on the 3-day chart. It does say we have to go sideways. Look for a flag or some type of consolidation on the 3-day. Looking at the weekly, we're just getting started with momentum, and anything is possible when we break that all-time high. We look at the daily, and the daily is literally just getting started with more momentum. The daily wants to break the all-time high. So I think this week, we break the all-time high in market cap, and we go to $2.6 trillion. Anything is possible, but it's looking highly likely that we pump to the upside here for total. Let's take a look at total 2, which is the market cap of all of the little altcoins, all of the little mini, little itty-bitty altcoins. Total 2 is even closer to the all-time high, in my opinion. We gave you the cup and handle here on the 4-hour. It pumped to the upside. We nailed it. We absolutely nailed it. Then we gave you the bull pennant right there. We nailed it again. These are all projections. Some of these were half done when I was drawing this stuff. All of my projections came through. We exactly hit my target for the amount of money that would come into the market $1.3 trillion for the entire market of the altcoins. Look for the altcoins to take a bit of a break. We're going to get oversold on the 4 hour and have to come back down. That's when it'll be ready. I would be taking profits right now. Things are out of control. You might want to kind of take some nibbles on whatever you're in. Take a look at what's going on and take some nibbles out of whatever you're in. Phantom booming to the upside. I swear it was 96. Now I see it at 89. Was it just playing games? Or am I looking at two different charts here? Phantom back to 90. Let's take a look at Phantom. Phantom looked like it just boomed up to 96 and took a bit of a chill wick. Let's see what's going on with my Phantom. All right. So I gave this call on the 1 hour that it would kind of boom to the upside. It did. It went all the way up here to 93. All right. So I see Phantom eventually getting up here. Let's take this call out. And so, yeah, it's forming the rising wedge, and it's bottoming here at the bottom. Absolutely beautiful. So in the last couple hours, Phantom did get as high as about 92. The highest it was at 96. All right. Came back down, forming a bit of a double bottom here, forming two. This is highly likely to break up to the upside, right? Look at this. The 4 hour has momentum, and you're in a rising wedge. Usually that means the rising wedge will break out parabolic. Highly likely Phantom is going to continue to the upside on its parade and go all the way up here to the target at $1.42. Phantom at $1.42. Not too long from now, you look back on a 20-cent Phantom and be like, damn, man, I could have 7x'd. I could have done a 7x. And yes, you could have done a beautiful 7x. It would have been absolutely wondrous. Anything is possible for Phantom. Okay? And that's how you do it, man. I publicly showed you guys how I dollar cost average into Phantom and eventually turned. Now I have a $20,000 bag of Phantom. Unbelievable how I slowly grinded my way up and made a killing on Phantom. And I explained exactly how I did it. And again, don't do anything I do on this channel. None of this is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm not an investment advisor. I will not tell you what to do with your portfolio or your money at all. All I am is an educator, a technical educator, and I'll teach you about technical analysis. I'll post examples every single day of charts that are showing, present day bounces off support and resistance, what's happening with the measured move, and all the fun stuff that comes along with technical analysis. If that's something that you like, if that's something that excites you, then jump on into my Patreon. If you're an awesome person, if you're around a lot of people that just don't give you stimulus, if your brain goes 1,000 miles a minute and you're extremely intelligent, if you know you need to be around a bunch of other people, if you can't talk about the things you like to talk about around your family, friends, jump into the Crypto Lifer experience, man, because I know what it's like to have a hyperactive brain, to want to grow, to want to move at the speed of light, and have everyone around me kind of just like wanted to drink Bud Light and just be like, eh. So if you're around a lot of people that are like, eh, and you're ready to go, yeah, then jump on into the Crypto Lifer show. You will not be disappointed. Appreciate each and every one of you for kicking it with me, man. I love you all, and thank you so much for being here. Okay. Dots of 50 this weekend. C98, Snap, not as bad. OBV. Axie, please. Let's take a look at AXS. Axie, USDT. Okay, so Axie. I had it here thinking it would hold this level. It did not, but you know what? It's still kind of holding this level now. You never know the pattern until the pattern is formed. It's changing, but you know what? Let me undo that. Only want this, not that. And see, look at this now, though. Forming a beautiful bit of an ascending triangle almost here and getting ready to move to the upside with higher highs and higher lows. Actually getting ready, it looks like, for another bigger move to the upside after strong consolidation. My target for Axie is going all the way up here at $113 a coin. So look out for Axie to do serious damage. What up? Bud Light commercial, LOL. What up? Yeah. Well, 60.2%. It's in my bag. Shout out to Aeon, Gina, Babina. Hey, you Peter. Shout out to Gina. Thank you for coming on in. Phantom and Audio was my best DCAs over the last 3 months. There you go, man. Chelsea A. Zilliqua up 7% today. Let's take a look at my baby Zilliqua, USDT. I had a call out for Zilliqua about a few days ago. Let's see how it's doing. So yeah, look at, I had Zilliqua trapped in this inverted head and shoulders. Suggest that it would break up. And then I had it in this cup and handle. Suggested it would continue to the upside, and so far it is doing that. Look for it to come back down and bounce off support before it continues its barrage to the upside. It's sharding. It's beautiful. I actually own a nice big bag of Zilliqua, and I'm going to hold it to the end of this run. Sorry to ask again. Could you please give us a quick look at Theta again? Sorry again. Don't be sorry. We'll take a look at Theta for you. I could be like Mitch Ray. No, pay $10. Let's take a look at Theta. Is in a bull pennant, beautiful bull pennant after it fell out of a falling wedge. Those are big, strong signs of a bigger move to the upside. 4-hour does need to reset a little bit. Look for some more sideways action before it decides to pop up out of here. I see a 125% gain coming out of Theta all the way back to 15. So Theta, yeah, Theta can do some serious damage. I like what I'm seeing for Theta. Anyone looking at CRV and IOTX? Asking for a friend. Yeah, we looked at CRV already. You asked about it and I went over it. It might have taken me a couple minutes. I'm personally in CRV. It's my personal call that I'm in. I like where it's at. Running out of room. Sniper entry at the end. 15 minutes high. Could flip the 50 minutes low. Could flip the 1 hour and do something like this. We could see the 1 hour kind of do a bit of a flip earlier or sooner than later. It is running out of room. CRV getting ready for a massive move to the upside after a pretty long consolidative move ever since about August 13th. So 2 weeks of consolidation. It's ready to move. Snap. Is Ziliqua and GZO partners at Tenacious Tim? Still waiting to start our engine. That's funny, man. Maybe that's wrong. Round Gina. Go forever. Elon Musk brain. Think faster than I can type and talk. Haha. That's me. Shout out to Aeon, man. Yep. Sorry to ask you. Thank you. Can you please give us a quick look at Theta again? Yeah. I come for the lifer, but I stay for Gina. Shout out to Peter Engelfield. Amazing. I'm keeping you, Peter, forever. You guys are awesome, man. I used to joke like that in high school, and you know what? I'll always be a high school kid. If I grew up, I never would have found Bitcoin because I would have thought I knew it all. Because grown-ups think they know it all, and they get slammed. I think you missed the super chat. Someone wants you to deep dive into WIN. Let's take a look at WIN. WIN is Wink. WIN USDT. I like WIN. I always hold a bag of WIN inside of this, inside of a bull run. Why? Well, it consolidates very nicely. And it's about to pump to the upside as well. Let's take a look at WIN. Massive move for WIN coming. And when it moves hard. It moves very, very hard. So massive move coming for WIN. As you can see, it's wedged up in here, getting ready for a very, very big move. Been consolidating since August 11th as well. Soon will be a whole month of consolidation. September 11th coming. I'll always remember where I was on that day. Then I got amnesia the day after. I got hit so hard, I didn't remember 9/11 until someone had to show me a second time. It was kind of a insane moment in my life. I'll never forget that. So we're kind of stalling out here in the middle section here of the stochastic. Can we hold this level? You can keep your, gotta be below these levels. You gotta have some projection for the stop loss using the moving average as well. I can see Wink doing damage up 70% and more. I personally hold Wink as well. I like Wink. It's got gaming. It's kind of attached to Binance. Binance pushed it as well. So a Gina dating channel. Check out Porn Rocket for a few minutes. Gina bumping, laughing my butt off. Yeah. Lifer needs to start a dating channel. Best educational stream on YouTube right here. Shout out to Rodney Robinson. Oh, is this not it? It is all about the love. So maybe people just feel so much love, they fall in love here. I would love it if I found a couple and they said, we met on your live stream. Like, we met on your live stream and we want you to be the guest of honor at our wedding. And then we want you to, do a live stream from the wedding. I'll be like, all right, let's do it. Everyone will be at the wedding. There'll be a big screen up and, everyone will be staring at the screen. And I'll be like, okay, guys, so Bitcoin is. And then when I'm done, everyone will be like, hey! And then we'll start the wedding. It'll be a Bitcoin wedding. Insane. Absolutely insane. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for everyone coming on into the live, man. When is the link to the VIP charts? Any ideas? Mask, waking up. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Max, finally doing something. Come on, Mask. Win. That little win coin. Win can win all the way. Can we get the 200 likes, please? I would ask that we could get to 200 likes. I would greatly appreciate it. If we get to 200 likes, we have 153 people watching. Only got 15 more likes to get it to 200. That would really help the algorithm pump and get this whole stream pushing. More people would watch the stream after I leave the stream. And we can talk about my Hyundai Sonata at another time. They have a new XRT look, too. This is kind of interesting. I did not go for that. There it is right there, the new 20 XRT look. I went for this look, man. This is hot. I got the silver rims. This thing is fresh, man. I'm excited, man. Not much excites me. I do get excited, though. Cop a new car, see what happens. The new grill is sick. That lighting, how it goes down like that, that is sick. And cakepunks finally kind of taking a breather. Only a matter of time. Jeez Louise. Cakepunks. I want to find the website to this. I want to know what it looks like. I want to know more about cakepunks. Okay, Rise. We looked at Rise. Let's get back to brass tacks in Litecoin, as Litecoin's pumping up to the upside as well. We'll take a look at C98 for Gina as well. I remember you. Wow, Litecoin, that's serious at $200 for Litecoin. I had this feeling Litecoin was just going to wake up. Last week I said it's only a matter of time. Litecoin's going to wake up. I want to see if I have it written here somewhere because I wrote it down. Like, and on 8/17, I'm talking about Litecoin right here. Back at 174. I said Litecoin has a big move planned all the way up to $360 from 175 for Litecoin. And there it goes to the upside. Holy Satoshis. Litecoin booming to the upside like you would not believe. Finally, man, I own a huge bag of Litecoins. Finally doing some damage with them. Excited to see what goes on. I kind of want to sell all my Litecoins and put them in a low cap gem. That's kind of my idea. Okay. Cardano wants more, and it's very obvious by this pattern. I've seen this pattern many, many times after it breaks out of a bigger channel. Cardano wants more. $4 Cardano is instantly coming not too long from now. It's pretty obvious. The FOMO for Cardano is getting absolutely insane, and it's getting real. People are getting out of control, and they're going to FOMO into Cardano all the way up. Then there's going to be NFTs, Sunday swaps. I'm telling you right now, you thought Soul Swap was hot. You can see Cardano go to $100 from here. You can see, I'm going to say it again, you can see Cardano go from $100 from here. There's going to be Cardano punks, you know that. And there's going to be all sorts of NFTs coming. That's going to push the price up. It's going to be absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. Shout out to Scott Lee. Loves your seed. You love that seed. Loving that. Let's take a look at Mask waking up, but Cardano highly likely to break up to the upside. 1 hour needs to reset and all that, but it's going to go continue sideways as long as it holds above this level, right? This new level that it's kind of following, which is above like 287, 295. Highly likely we're going to see a $4 Cardano. $4 Cardano, $4. Mithril. I've been talking about Mithril for a while right now. Here's my idea for Mithril. Put it out there. Don't miss Mithril. Getting ready to do some serious moves. All right. I guess that's I can really see it a couple days in advance. A perfect place to be makes you wait a little bit, but that's the perfect place, right? Like if you bought the perfect spot, it'd be right there on the low, and you've been in this for a day already, but that was the perfect time. If you wanted to make that move, right? Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being a part of the Crypto Lifer Show and doing what you do. Love y'all. You guys are awesome. Each and every one of you. Thanks for all you do, Scott. Appreciate you, brother. Scott Lee, giving him a shout out. Sorry if I'm shouting you out. Some people are, but hey, you've been awesome, and you've been an awesome addition to the group. So I appreciate having you here, man. KP3R, we've been giving you the tracking this ever since it came up from the bottom and pump. What do you think is going to happen again? Andre Kanji getting pushed. A lot of articles talking about this. It just keeps doing its thing. It's on a stepping stone up to the upside, and you can see this thing is ready to blast off yet again. KP3R for the BUSDT pair. For the BUSD pair, sorry. For the BUSD. And this is very, very oversold on the 1 hour. Highly likely to play out on the stochastics RSI, giving you the indication that it wants to rip back to the upside. 32% gains on the way. You could get a few little places here of support and resistance too that gives you a place to hide, which isn't too bad. Had to go to 7 for the 32. That's not too bad at all. 4.31 to risk reward ratio. I like what I'm seeing here for Keeper or KP3R, however you want it. No, I don't want to call it Keeper because it's the Keep network. And that's also pumping to the upside and getting people absolutely excited too. So KP3R. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, let's take a look at the Keep network as well. And I'm going to do C98 for Gina. I got you, Gina. I got you, Gina. C98. Keep looking a lot like the other, Cardano. It's in that same idea as Cardano, except it's doing the retest. See, I can kind of see these things now for exactly what they are. It tells me that the 1 hour is pointing to the downside and getting ready for a sniper entry. And I like this. Keep getting ready for a massive move to the upside. Keep, man. It's in a giant cup and handle. If you look at it on my bigger time frames, I got it in a giant cup and handle with a huge, huge move. 184% gains out of Keep says the measured move out of the cup and handle. And it's just getting started. 4 hours ready and got momentum. 1 hour wants to come down and form a retest. That's a retest right there for Keep. So if I could even just kind of clean it up here, and I'll keep the bigger one and the longer one. It got so many calls all at the same time. But there's a retest for sure, right? And retest is a beautiful thing. When you buy a retest, it's more highly likely you don't get stopped out. See what I'm saying? Possible retest here. Possible retest with the sniper entry for Keep USDT. That is also on Binance. All right. And there's a bigger trade at hand for that too. And that's still an open trade. I just want to update people with the trade so they can see what's going on. Not to be confused with KP3R, even though I'm putting them close together. Okay. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. They were coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. Could we get to the 200 likes? We just could not. 11 of people could not hit the like button. Could we get 11 people to hit that like button? I would greatly appreciate it. Get us moving for the algorithm for this to pump to like 2,000-3,000 views. KRAKEN exchange since EU license eyes expansion in Europe. Awesome. Oh, no way. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you for coming on in. And we're getting attacked from all angles. It does not matter. Both sides aren't with it. Let's look at the Litecoin idea and then Litecoin flying to the upside. Doing serious damage. Let's take a look at C98 for Gina. Sorry, it took me a while. Okay. Look what I see for C98. Form this beautiful cup kind of in the abyss. Started to hit this channel bounce, channel bounce, channel bounce, and moving. Interesting, right? So look what I have for C98 now. And it's just like a Cardano. It breaks out of the rising wedge and then it forms another, another pennant. Shows me that it's highly likely to break up to the upside. C98. See? And there's a cup and handle too as well. And I want you to take this into account because this was a microcosm of like a bigger idea. Like a coin comes out, does cup and handles in the low, right? It comes out, it dumps. It finds consolidation. Cups and handles, and pushes its way right out. Hits a high, gets super extended on the daily, has to come down, forms its secondary cup and handles, and then it gets ready for its another move. And this is just how these things play out, right? So we've been in the trade since down here, C98 from the call, which is about 433, I believe. Let me actually go back. Yeah, that's where we actually get the call, 436. Looking pretty beautiful. I see 90% gains coming out of C98 You know, always have a stop loss, always stay protected, but anything is possible, right? Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is only educational purposes on technical analysis, right? If you want to join my Patreon, you will join a group of people that will educate you on technical analysis. That's all we will do there. That is all we will talk about every single day, all the time. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. 3 commas has spoiled me. Trading without it is painful. Yeah, when you don't have 3 commas, it's the worst thing in the world. Like, absolutely horrible. Like, it's like you can't, it's like having a broken arm. Like, it's like, I can't do this, you know? Kusama pumping to the upside and doing its thing. You can see it wants to climb up. Another 25% gains, up to 500. Don't be surprised when you see Kusama at 500. We call the retest right there. Perfectly hit the retest and bounce to the upside. Another call on the LIFERs booming to the upside. Hard doing its thing, man. I'm telling you right now, Hard looks like it's retesting a beautiful support and resistance line. Resistance, 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 resistance. Support bounce with the low stochastics. Ready to go. Hard. Ready to go hard. Hard's ready to go hard. For sure. Hard. She's ready to go hard, kids. And that cup and handle has even more than what I'm giving you there. Just showing you the temporal idea for hard. If you want to go hard, become a lifer. If you want to go soft, become any other channels, kind of, I don't know, go join another channel. I'm getting that blank thing every once in a while. I don't know what that's all about. Maybe it's because I have too many of those open and it can't handle it. Let's hope that's what it is. And if I move to copy this now, it should work. There we go. Go hard or go home is the saying, right? Go hard or go home. Shout out to all my analysts stepping their game up, man. Shout out to everyone in the group. Shout out to everyone really, really contributing to the group. It's unbelievable. The 99 group is the most, like, look at if you join my Patreon, look at this. Like, there's no memes, there's no baloney, man. It's people just showing and proving every single day. Oh, yeah, Veed. We were looking at Veed the other day. Veed, another low-cap gem, right? Hadouken killing him with 130% gains on an XRP trade from 119. Ooh, MTV popping to the upside. Yeah, MTV finally doing some damage. Finally doing some damage. Woo! There we go. There we go. All the way to 1.5, and soon it'll be 2 cent MTV. And you'll look back and be like, damn, man. And there you go. MTV had huge news today. Big, big news for MTV. All right. What was that news? We'll talk about it right here. I posted it. I'm trying to find it now. Right. Multivac. Pleased to announce our official partnership with Polychain Mon. A unique Multivac NFT character will soon be available in their booster packs. Once the infrastructure is ready, Polychain Monsters, NFTs, and booster packs will be available on the Multivac blockchain. We're happy to announce our upcoming booster partnership with Multivac Global. Polychain Monsters, baby, and Multijack doing a deal. I love how it's a tech deal, but it's like all this awesome stuff that's going on. And look at Multivac, just, it boomed, it boomed, it boomed, it boomed. It had to consolidate. Boomed, consolidated, boom, consolidated. Nice consolidation there. And look how we tracked Multivac. We thought it would come back down here for the buy zone. Patience, and it did not. It decided to stay up there and rip right out of the pattern and continue to the upside from its high. Look at this. It oscillated down, and this is bullish divergence. Let me show you. On the stochastics, it oscillated down here, but it oscillated up here on the channel. And when that channel they don't match each other, boom, 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 right? Let's take a look at REEF. REEF, what are you doing, baby? I've been trading REEF for a long time on and off, right? And looking like she's getting ready for a pretty big move. So we'll take a look at what I see here for REEF. An ascending triangle right off the bat. Look, flat top, moving up on the higher lows, up onto the ending plus, right? Multivac was just in this, did some serious damage to the upside. We could take a swing right here for the measured move of the pole, and that's going to be REEF for you. Let's take a look at what's happening for REEF. Needs to come back down to the bottom of the pattern. Will it, or will it break on out? Honestly, anything is possible, right? I would like to see REEF break out and get in on the retest. So this would be the area, right? REEF could do some serious damage and continue to the upside as well. REEF's a great project too that integrates multiple chains. It can look at everything in your wallet. It's a really absolutely beautiful thing. REEF is awesome. We got into REEF very, very early at the beginning stages of REEF. There was some FUD going on where they kind of struggled through the bull market. Never really got its due diligence yet. So anything is happening. Is CRV really moving finally? No way. No way. Let's get back to my baby CRV, man. Only a matter of time. Only a matter of time now, baby. Okay, 224 and starting to break out. Okay, there's a little push. That could be all we need to get this thing to start moving. I did see the sniper entry right there. We called the sniper entry, and it moved right off the entry. We may have hit the exact moment to purchase the coin. You never know, though. You never know. That's why I use TA, man. It gives you pinpoint accuracy. We gave you RSR here as it continues to break to the upside, and it's moving. RSR is continuing to the upside. Watch RSR. It is what it is, man. The lifers are absolutely killing it today. Absolutely killing it. Absolutely demolishing the game. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being a crypto lifer. You guys are awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, everyone, I'm out of here for the day. I've done enough TA. I would have been out here, but I'm alone. My wife's not here, so that's why I was able to stream way longer than normal. Otherwise, she would have kicked me off the stream a long, long time ago, and you all know that. Crypto Wifer would have laid down the law. But I'm alone in a room right now, so if I'm alone in a room, you know what we're going to do? We're going to stream together till the cows come home, man. It's going to be the Lifer Show till the end of time. It is what it is. So, follow me at TikTok at The Crypto Lifer. I'd greatly, greatly appreciate it. Follow me at TikTok at The Crypto Lifer. Nano USDT looks like a nice play right now. I'm telling you, an altcoin super cycle is coming to be upon us. An altcoin super cycle is coming upon us. All right. So if you're around and you're ready to go, then jump on into the Crypto Lifer Show. You will not be disappointed. Appreciate each and every one of you for kicking it with me, man. I love you all, and thank you so much for being here. Yeah, blah. There's too many blah people out there. Don't be a blah person. Be a yeah person. You know what I'm saying? Every single day, you can do it. You can do it. It's not easy, but you can do it. And once you do it, it becomes infectious, man. You'll die in a good mood. The idea is to die in a good mood, because you never know when you're going to die. So if you're always in a good mood, you'll die in a good mood. And so the idea is to die in a good mood, man. And I don't mean to be, down and out right now, but, die in a good mood. And with that, everybody, I'm out of here for the day. Thank you so much for being here. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications so you can find out when I post my next video. Remember, if you came to the channel, then you're already doing the right thing. I'll be back later on with a live stream on the beach. So I will be live on the beach. You know it. I'll be there ready to rock. So stay with me, guys. I love y'all. And I'll see you guys on the next live stream. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications so you can find out when I post my next video. And remember, if you came to the channel, then you're already doing the right thing. We'll take a look at Bitcoin one more time before I jump on out of here. Let's jump into the chat one last time as well. And Bitcoin holding 50,600 very, very well. And in my pennant, forming a flag. The idea is we're going to watch this flag, and I'm going to keep the Patreons updated. Jump into the Patreon if you don't know what's going on, if you have no clue how to trade, if you're lost, if you're losing tons of money, if you need a support system, if you need a group of people to bring you up, if you're just depressed. Hey, some people might just pay the $100 just to feel better about themselves. I'm telling you right now, we can bring you to a higher level of elevation. We can elevate your vibration to another level. Jump on in. You will be elevated to another level. You will love it. You'll absolutely love it. You won't, So jump on into the Patreon, drink your water, eat your watermelon, do the right things. And everyone, thank you so much for being here. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications so you can find out when I post my next video. Remember, if you came to the channel, then you're already doing the right thing. If you're on the fence of joining the Patreon, jump into the testimonials and see what they have to say. You will not be disappointed. Salute. Back to the rooms. Yep. Crypto Wifer laughing my ass. I did work the weekends and spent almost every weekend at Disney. Have annual passes and a vacation place in Orlando. So awesome. So we got to do a family trip, man, where me and my wife come down and we all go to Disney together, man. We got to do it, man. We're going to have a blast, bro. Kingdom Creative, Lifer does give back. Remember, nothing in this life is free. He educates us to make our own paper. Sounds like you need more family time, bro. How do you spend quality time? If you do, amen to you, but it seems like you don't. Anyway, I'm not going to talk. Lifer, you are blessed. Lifer, you are blessed. These people work for free for you, man. Not many people would do that for people. I give you guys love and credit. Hopefully Lifer helps you one day. I know he's got a lot of money. Nobody knows how much money I have, man. Stop. Disney, I'm in. Only less than an hour away. Yeah, we could have a family trip to Disney. All right, shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. Remember, if you came to the channel, then you're already doing the right thing. Crypto is life, guys. Guys, I'll see you on the next live stream. I'm so excited to be here, but I got to run. I got to go jump on the beach, and then I got to go through some more charts, and then I got to keep you guys updated throughout the day. So thank you so much for being here. Oh, and again, the weekly screen share should be today at 5. I do have friends and family coming over. I may have to postpone it yet again. I'm going to try to get it in, or maybe we'll kind of dice it up. Maybe we'll dice it up. We'll figure it out. I'll let you guys know in the next hour exactly when it's going to be, because it was supposed to be today at 5 o'clock. And I do have a lot of new people joining the stream too still, and they're still kind of getting acclimated. So if I do the weekly screen share, they might just be like, they might miss it. They might not understand, you know. I'm trying to see what's going on with my day. I do have the day to myself finally for the first time in a long time. It doesn't mean I'm not going to work, but I don't know if I want to take a whole 2-hour break at the end of the day, but we'll see. We'll see. I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll know by probably 1:30. I'm going to let you guys know exactly what I'm going to do with the weekly screen share. And know if you're a Patreon, every week we do a weekly screen share. Oh, this is annoying. Verifying just to get out of the live. Wow, what a live stream, guys. What a day to be alive. Thank you so much for the super chats. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you for everyone coming into the live stream. Collect some shells for me because I'm living vicariously through you today. Okay, I will. Maybe Saturday morning. Lifer, come to the UK. I tour you around. I'll do it, Bullish Shalom. Disney, I'm in. Only less than an hour away. Maybe Saturday morning at Crypto Lifer. I could do Saturday morning. If people like Saturday morning, I just don't. Yeah, Saturday morning would be kind of good for me, like 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. But I don't know where people are in their life, or people are behind me, ahead of me. I could do Saturday morning. It would be nice for me to just do a Saturday morning one. We could do it all from like 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. We are fam. Let's plan something. I can get rooms for $550 a week, 2-bedroom villas. Oh, really? Then why don't I just come down right now? Yo, I could do that right now, dude. All right, we're going to come to Florida then. We'll come to Florida and we'll hang out, man. We'll kick it. All right, guys, tomorrow, all right, we're going to move the live stream. Weekly stream will be moved to tomorrow morning, which I've never done, but it'll be Saturday morning at about, we'll say 8 a.m. Saturday morning, 8 a.m. Oh, but see, then for Crypto Greg, he's got to wake up at 5 a.m. to get into the live stream. If I do 9 a.m., it pushes it out to the day. Trying to work this out. I'll figure out a time. All right, everyone, thank you so much for being here. I'm out for the day. Peace out. Crypto is life.